We have taken Dusty service on respondent number 2 and 3 and filed the affidavit of service, Lordship, yesterday, Lordship. That has not come into record. That may permitted to be called for.
Let me say, Lordship, could they consent from the petitioner and this? Since I did to mention item number 20.
20. Yes, what is it?
The petitioner has filed their affidavit in reply yesterday and the same copy has been sent to us yesterday.
We can't hear you, madam. Be louder a bit.
Lordship, the petitioner has filed their affidavit in reply yesterday. So
Okay.
for that time to prepare
You're for the petitioner,
for the respondent.
respondent. Which respondent, madam?
Respondent number 5.
Who is he?
Kalyani Brahma.
Oh, it's a private respondent. So why do you need time?
The copy, affidavit reply copy that has been sent to us yesterday and we could not do that in case. Senior staff
Okay.
is out of session.
What is your name?
Asumi on behalf.
Miss. Oh, you're on record.
Yeah, yeah, that's
No, you're also on record. That's not requirement. Miss Asumi, Learned Counsel for Respondent number 5 has submitted that the petitioner has filed rejoinder affidavit only yesterday. That is rejoinder affidavit only yesterday, and therefore prays for some accommodation. Para. Matter accordingly stands adjourned to be listed on today is what? 17th, to be listed on
6 after summer break.
after summer break. Okay, listed on 15th of July. 15th July.
May it please your Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 10 and 11, Lordship. Lordship, kindly fix this matter after vacation, Lordship. Today there are some matter listed in court number 1, Lordship, hearing.
Is there 18 matters, 22 matters? Why should we adjourn?
Lordship, after vacation, there is a hearing matter, Lordship, in court number 1. My senior
That is okay. You have to adjust. Hearing is there in other court doesn't mean that you'll get adjourned. You do one matter a day.
No, Lordship.
How many matters do you do in a day? One matter. So what is this? I have a hearing in another court. That is not an excuse. Come up with better excuses. And these are old matters. Had it been new matters, problem would not have been there. 18 matters.
Lordship, then fix it tomorrow, Lordship.
What are these matters about?
Lordship, it's standard matter, Lordship.
We'll have it on Friday
Yes, Lordship.
on a prayer for adjournment made on behalf of the petitioner. Matters are matters are adjourned to be listed on Friday.
Obliged, Lordship.
Okay.
With the consent of the others, I'd like to mention item number 12.
12, yes.
Senior counsel, Mr. NC Das is having some personal difficulty with your Lordship. Kindly fix
He appears for whom?
Power Grid Corporation. Respondent number 3.
Okay. You inform the other side
Yes, yes, sir.
on a request made on behalf of Sri NC Das Learned Senior Counsel for the respondent number 3. Matter is adjourned to be listed when?
Break.
Adjourned to be listed after the listed on we'll have it on July 15th of July,
Will it be on 17th?
17th of July. Yes,
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, item number 14 for today's list, my lord.
yes.
2 days before my learned friend AFDC file affidavit, we want to find reply.
Who has filed AFDC? Okay. You need some time. When? Monday next?
Monday, my lord. No, after requested any date, my lord.
Will you like to file rejoinder affidavit?
Reason that-
Okay. Sri N. Bora, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, has informed that the rejoinder affidavit by the AFDC has been filed a couple of days back, and he seeks to file, and he prays for time to seek instructions with regard to filing of rejoinder affidavit. Para. In also heard Sri P. Sharma, Learned Standing Counsel, AFDC. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on 17th of July, by which time rejoinder affidavit,
my lord.
if any, be filed.
My lord.
I have a
No, rejoinder affidavit be filed if so advised.
I have a prayer, Lordship. I think it was 17, 18, 19.
Yes.
I am supposed to file it. I have given it for waiting, Lordship. I've taken the consent of the other.
Who's for the other side? And 18, 19?
I appear for item number 19 in this particular case.
18?
I've taken counsel for court
Okay.
officer.
Sri P. Sharma, learned standing counsel AFDC,
Fisheries Department.
learned standing counsel Fisheries Department has informed that the affidavit in opposition has been prepared and sent for vetting. Full stop. He accordingly prays for some accommodation. Para. When?
I think after the
Para. List. Accordingly, matters are adjourned to be listed on 13th of July. This will be on 17.
15th of July, Lordship, can it be?
15 we have many matters.
6. 13, 9.
7, what problem 13th?
I'm going some medical.
Okay, then 15th of July. 17, 18 and 19, correct?
Yes, yes.
17 July.
May I please, my lord? My lord, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 16, my lord.
16.
16, my lord. In this
Yes.
matter, my lord, respondent have filed one additional affidavit to which I want to file rejoinder, my lord, for which I need some time, my lord.
Additional affidavit by the respondents.
By the respondent.
Which respondent? Soil conservation. Soil conservation. You cannot file any reply. You can take instructions.
For-
Okay. Sri P.K. Mazumdar, learned counsel for the petitioner, has submitted that the Soil Conservation Department has recently filed an additional affidavit for which he requires time to seek instructions. Also heard Sri Hazurika, learned counsel, P. Hazurika,
Yeah.
learned counsel appearing for the department. Para. Matter is accordingly adjourned to be listed on 13th of July.
Obvious.
Not this is a 2017 matters, non-payment of contractual fee, admitted amendment. Let this matter come up on Friday.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention a listing of a press matter, my lords. Tomorrow, my lords.
Tomorrow, why urgency? Tomorrow is a Thursday,
Okay, my lords, Friday then.
Friday.
I'm so obliged.
Yeah, my lord, I'm paying for the similar, my lord. It's demolition of my house, my lord. Already filed yesterday, maybe taken up tomorrow, my lord, by GMC, my lord.
Demolition, already demolished,
Not, my lord, no, my lord.
not demolished. Let it be demolished, then you come.
My lord, we have filed an application for this.
Will not have any burden then. Okay, tomorrow.
Obliged, man.
Yes, madam.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 41, Lordship.
4-1.
Conducting yourself, Mr. P. Border is out of station, Lordship. It's an order matter, Lordship.
Orders, we have to check the file, madam. We just cannot.
Lordship, there is some development, Lordship. We need to take some instructions.
Why is it come for orders? We have to check. It may be for service. It may be for steps.
We need to file affidavit, Lordship. We have not
You
filed yet.
need to wait for your matter, not like this. Wait for your matter. Yes.
Please, your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 45. Your lordship,
45.
we are the
What matters?
we are the newly engaged counsel in this matter, so some time may be granted to us to go through.
Newly engaged for whom?
For the petition.
Petitioner.
Yes, your lordship.
I'm for the respondent 7 May.
So what, why do you need time?
We are the newly engaged counsel in this matter. And
Oh.
also, respondent number 7 has filed an affidavit in opposition in this matter. We will require some time to file our reply.
Okay. What is your name, madam?
M. Burua.
You are not on record.
No, your lordship.
On behalf of whom?
On behalf of Mr. Didas, the
Didas.
counsel.
Okay. Ms. M. Barua, learned counsel, appearing on instruction of Sri D. Das, learned senior counsel for the senior counsel has submitted that they have entered appearance for the petitioner recently. Full stop. She has also informed that the private respondent has filed counter affidavit, which is required to be responded. Full stop. She accordingly pays for and is granted 3 weeks' time for filing rejoinder affidavit. Para list on 17th of July. 3,
Your lordship, on 17, sir will not be.
which date?
No, it's fine. Your lordship.
Sri P. Sharma, learned standing counsel, Fisheries Department is present.
May I please have a beg to mention item number 34.
34.
Hearing on behalf of one number 1 for Sir Harish Gupta.
For H. Gupta. Yes, what is your prayer?
We have not received the instruction from the department. In the time of
What is your name, madam?
PR Chaudhary.
T.R. Chaudhary.
PR.
PR. Ms. P.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing on instruction of Sri H. Gupta, learned CCC, submits that instructions are yet to be received, and she accordingly prays for some time. Para, in view of the above, you have informed the other side.
I am for the petition.
Okay, yes. What do you say? Grant time.
Instruction.
In view of the above, matter is adjourned. To be listed on 20th of July 20. To enable
Your lordship, can it be before summer break?
before summer break. Next week will be motion day. Can you file the rejoinder within next week? Instructions are yet to be received. How do you file your affidavit? We can give a date, no problem.
Let it be on 24th, my lord, because tender has been stayed.
There is a tender.
Yes.
Okay. Instructions. Don't need to put it. কি করছে আগরখানে? Instructions are awaited. Also heard Sri H.K. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, para, considering the subject matter involved, which is pertaining to a tender, and there is an interim order, comma, while accommodation is granted, comma, the matter is directed to be listed on, directed on 22nd,
My lord, I would not be in town, my lord. 24th, 25th, any day.
24th.
Ma'am.
24th.
There is an interim, my lord, it may be continued.
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. 24th 6, huh? June. Yes, Mr. Tarun.
Item number 9, we have sent the affidavit for waiting lordship. We need some time so that we can file the petition.
Mr. Today is there.
Lordship.
These are old matters, 19 matters.
Earlier, it was used to be seen by standing council lordship.
No adjournment.
Lord.
No adjournment at mention. It
Lord.
has to reach.
Lordship.
19 matter, no adjournment.
Problem.
Make this lordship. My lord, in the instant writ petition with a very limited period, I am before this court, my lord. And I made on 30th July 2025 for renewal of my IMFL license, my lord, to pass them on speaking order. But till date, my
For renewal of what license?
IMFL license, my lord, off license, my lord.
You applied.
Yes, my lord. And my lord, what happened in this matter? 1994, this license was issued to me, and 2014, my lord, for defalcation of excise duty, there's some same was cancelled, my lord. Then they filed one FIR against me 2014, and as well as in the same year, my lord, they filed one complaint case against me. And thereafter, my lord, that complaint case 2020, they have withdrawn. And so far as FIR, my lord, after more than 10 years, it is pending, no proceeding initiated. And then petitioner approached before this was quashing, and this one will quash the FIR. That means no complaint case, neither any criminal case is pending against me. Thereafter, I made the representation for the authority concerned to renew my IMFL. This is pending. So my humble prayer, this instead of going into the merit, my lord, my prayer number 2 is to consider if a learned friend is not opposed, my lord. Can you have prayer number 2, my lord?
What is 2?
Yeah, prayer number 2, my lord. That they are directing the respondent number 3, this is the deputy commissioner to consider and dispose of representation that is changes submitted by the petitioner for passing a speaking order within a stipulated time. If they pass speaking order on my point, so far as my entitlement is concerned, let them pass on speaking order on that
Yes,
point.
what do you
Nothing on
say?
merit, my lord.
Lords, I'm on appearing on behalf of Mr. R.R. Goway for respondents 1, 2, and 4. I just seek some time for instructions on this matter.
And I'm praying to this one.
We issue a short notice.
Yes, my lord.
We issue a short notice.
Yes,
We'll also consider your second prayer.
yes, my lord.
Okay. Heard Sri P. K. Deca, learned counsel for the petitioner who is aggrieved by non-renewal of his IMFL license. Full stop. As for the facts projected, comma, such IMFL license was issued to the petitioner in the year 1994.
Yes, my lord.
Full stop. However, due to some reasons, the same was cancelled. Cancelled along with lodging of an FIR as well as a complaint. Full stop. The complaint was, however, withdrawn in the year 2023.
Yes, my lord.
And so far as the FIR is concerned, comma, as no progress was made, the petitioner had challenged the same and it was quashed.
Yes, my lord.
by this court,
Yes, on 15/7/2025.
by this court on 15/7/2025.
My lord, this is the annexure
It is,
7.
it is contended by Sri Dekha that there would be no reason not to renew the license, which however has not been done, and accordingly, the petition has been filed. Full stop. He has also submitted that there is a prayer for consideration of his representation towards renewal of the license, which is also not considered, which is also not done. Para, let notice be issued, returnable on, we'll have it on 15th,
My lord.
immediately on
My
vacation.
lord.
What is your name?
S. Sharma. my lord.
You're on behalf of R.R. Gogoi.
R.R. Gogoi.
Sri S. Sharma, learned counsel appearing on instruction of Sri R.R. Gogoi, sending counsel, Excise Department, accepts notice on behalf of responsibles 1, 2, and 4. Sri R. Talukdar, State Council for 3 extra copies be served. Para. Pendency of this case shall not be a bar for consideration and disposal of the representation
My lord.
in accordance with law.
Much
My
obliged.
lord, just one plea. The cancellation was done because of non-payment of dues
You come up, we have not said anything.
in the order.
Obliged.
Obliged, my lord.
Please, your lordship. The petitioner was appearing in person, lordship, but however, he has decided to engage and taken steps. The lordship will kindly fix after vacation for the matter to be listed, lordship.
We can issue notice. Why motion
I
matter?
have objection
Huh?
issuing notice for that regarding the maintainability, because in the last earlier order, that part was. But he has engaged, he's been engaged today, let the matter come up. I'll place the of the other.
What is the maintainability issue?
Well, regarding the.
Statutory appeals.
Because there is other provision,
No, what is it? What is the dispute?
but this is regarding, he's saying that he doesn't cover, it's not covered under ESIs.
Okay,
Whereas he has been covered under ESIs, notices was issued,
okay.
and order was also passed under section 45A.
Oh, he has the appellate provision, which is not availing. So on that ground, you are challenging the, questioning the maintainability.
And also they are coordinate, orders from the coordinate benches of this model court.
Lordship, that could be, lordship will allow me to come back on any other date, lordship.
Okay. Sri D. Dekha, learned counsel, has submitted that he has been instructed to appear on behalf of the petitioner who was earlier appearing in person.
Yes, lord.
Full stop. He has also submitted that since there is an issue of maintainability which had arisen on the last occasion, he may be granted some time to take appropriate instructions. Para. Also heard Sri M. Smith, learned standing counsel ESIC. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed for motion on 13th of July, reopening day.
Yes, yes.
13.
15th we have fixed many matters. 15 not be possible.
17.
On 20th,
20th.
20.
Obliged, lordship.
Met with your lordship, no? No, in this case, my lord, a seizure was made of the metal nuts, my lord, under section 110 of the Customs Act. Now, my lord, for the section 110, you also may kindly see, my lord. Yes.
Yes, please.
110, my lord. More particularly, my lord, subsection. First, subsection 1, my lord, you will also may see. If the proper officer has reason to believe that any goods are liable to confiscation under this act, he may seize such goods. Subsection 2, you will also may kindly see, my lord.
Yes.
Where any goods are seized under section 1 and no notice in respect thereof is given under subsection clause A of section 124, within 6 months of the seizure of the goods shall be returned to the person in whose possession they were seized. So within 6 months, my lord, notice under section 124A has to be given. Otherwise, the goods have to be released. Now, your
This you have read, which one? First, 110 you have read, one, then
two, my lord.
two.
Where any
Okay, 124, okay, correct.
I will also see proviso.
Yes.
Proviso that the principal commissioner of customs or commissioner of customs may for regions to be recorded in writing extend such period to a further period not exceeding 6 months and inform the person from whom such goods were received before the expiry of the period as specified. Below the 6 months period is the limit, but the commissioner
Extendable by 6 months.
by 6 months further, but that must be done within the, my lord, expiry of the period of
During the lease,
my lord,
not after expiry of the.
not after the expiry of this one. My lord, and it has been communicated before the expiry of the period. You'll also see further, my lord. Now, in this case, we have not received any notice in the section 124A. We have not received any order for communicating us for the extension of the period.
So you say that there is violation of
110(2).
110(2).
And in fact, the Supreme Court also has dealt with the matter, my lord, wherein the Supreme Court has said, my lord, that if the conditions are not fulfilled, then it has to be, goods have to be released. And the extension, if any, has to be done before the expiry of the period.
No, that is the law. Extension has to be during the
Now, my learned friend said that it's
currency of the earlier period.
If you also may see that when the
Yes, Mr. Setia?
Lordship, that 6 months period, my lord, under the proviso to section 110(2), my lord, that has been extended, my lord, by the order dated Lordship P2/2026, my lord.
When did you seize
My
first?
lord, it was seized on, my lord, 7th of August 2025,
Seizure done.
Lordship.
And 6 months expired when?
7th of February 2026, my lord. And it was extended, my lord, on 3rd of February 2026 for a per day period.
3rd, 26, before during the currency of the 6 months. So there is no violation.
Lordship.
If
That
it is
is my
done,
instruction, my lord, it was extended, my lord.
My lordship may
you put this on affidavit.
Lordship. We'll file an.
Will issue a short notice, Dr. Saraf.
my lord, because my lord, the subject, my lord, your lordship will certainly grant it. Your lordship may see it must be communicated within a period of these 6 months.
Yes.
Now, it has never been communicated to us.
We'll file our affidavit.
If it is not communicated,
No, see, just turn over the page.
my lord,
Turn over the page. It
My-
has been communicated.
no, my lord, it is here, they are mentioning it is not communicated.
No, there is a tick mark also. We do not know. Those are factual issues.
Till today, my lord, the petitioner has not received any communication.
No, that is your contention, your
No.
averment.
They may
Let them say so from the
let them
records.
prove, my lord, that it has been
No,
communicated.
you are correct in contending that unless it is communicated, it will not have the shape of an order unless it's communicated. But there in the second page,
Well, it is,
Uh,
I've seen that it is mentioned there.
okay,
They must, my lord, show that it has been communicated.
okay. Heard Dr. E. Sharaf, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. N. Sharma. B. Sharma, for the petitioner. Full stop. The grievance of the
Well,
petition.
subject to, I'm disturbing your lordship. Well, these are better
Littleness.
being seized from August. And they are lying there. The vehicle also is lying there. Well, they,
We'll give a short date immediately
my
after
lord,
the
that I am
vacation.
submitting, my lord, subject to your lordship approval, my lord. That the invoice value, whatever is there, my lord, invoice value, whatever is there, my lord, for that I can furnish the bank guarantee. My lord, the goods, because otherwise all will be destroyed, my lord. And 4,000 rupees per day, the vehicle damage charges I'm paying for last 6 months, 8 months, my lord. My lord,
You have also come to the court late.
my lord, because 6 months period was not expired. That's why I have to come, my lord.
6 months had expired when?
My lord, I was communicating to them that kindly release it. I was communicating to them that kindly release it.
6, 7.
And my lord, the invoice value, whatever is there, if the bank guarantee is furnished to that, my lord, the vehicle which is lying there, my lord, 4,000 per day, I have to pay the damage charges.
We will have immediately on the reopening. Mr. Chetia.
Lordship.
Heard Dr. A. Saraf, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Sri B. Sharma. Full stop. For the petitioner. The grievance of the petitioner is with regard to a seizure made under is made under the Customs Act, full stop. The learned senior counsel has drawn the attention of this court to the provisions of section 110 of the said act, which provides for issuing which provides for release of the seizure if no notice is issued within a period of 6 months under section 124 within bracket A. He has also submitted that the proviso to 110 within bracket 2 provides, stipulates that it may be extended for a further period of 6 months by the principal commissioner of customs or the commissioner of customs for reasons to be recorded in writing, and such extension has to be during the currency of the earlier extended period. Full stop. It is the categorical case of the petitioner that no such extension was done during the currency.
Not communicated.
No, not done.
Done, they are saying they
No,
done.
you have not done. Not communicated means that's a different.
My lord.
According to it, if it's not communicated, maybe have a different connotation. Was not done, as no communication ever has been received by the petitioner. Para. On the other hand, comma, three, Chetia, so as Chetia, the Learned Standing Council, Customs Department has submitted that the provisions of 110, of section 110 have been duly complied with. And the second extension order has been passed on 3/2/2026, which was during the currency of the earlier extended period. Full stop. Dr. Saraf, the senior counsel for the petitioner, has responded that no communication has ever been received by them. Para. Let notice be issued, returnable on 13th of, on the reopening,
Lordship, on 15th.
14th,
Lordship.
14th,
Lordship.
14th, you are there,
My lord, my lord.
14th of July 2026. Here for all,
For 2, 3, 4, and 5.
who is one? Union of India. Okay. P. Burwa, Miss P. Burwa, Learned CGC. Accepts notice on behalf of respondent number 1, 3 H. Chettiar, Learned Standing Council, Customs Department for 2, 3, and 4.
4 and 5.
2, 3, 4, and 5 extra. There are others also.
Pro forma.
But they are performer respondent because
Who are they?
the vehicle owner and the recipient of
Well,
goods.
they are not required,
Not
but
required.
nonetheless, notice on the pro forma respondents at this stage is deferred. But let extra copies be served. Para. Since the goods are said to be perishable in nature, nature, and the issue would hinge upon the aspect of issuance of the notice as contemplated, this court will make an endeavor to dispose of the writ petition on the returnable date. The Learned Standing Council is directed to produce the concerned records.
Lordship.
I'm obliged.
Lordship, only thing, Lordship has said, earlier extension order, there was only one extension
First
order.
extension.
First extension.
Initially, it was, the as prescribed period,
No, 7, 8, you had said, it was, yes, on the first during correction.
Only extension was.
First extension. I'm already quoting you. That second proviso would not come into play at all. That means
My lord, no, first provision. my lord.
first one. Okay.
And
I'm already quoting.
sir, Erekanath, it's
Ere-
not perishable.
Not perishable. Arecanut is not perishable.
Lordship, as long as
These are edible substance.
it's at more value.
Well, earlier also, Lordship has held in the Erekan's case, that goods are perishable and directed to be released, on the.
Arecanuts will be perishable. Edible goods.
Otherwise, more and more it's got older, it has more value.
Is it? No, not at all. It's not wine. Is it wine? You
Perhaps-
store in a bottle.
Perhaps that's why they are keeping it for 1 year, so that the price may increase.
We'll
I'm
find-
obliged, my lord. I'm obliged.
Obliged.
It will ঠিক করে দেবো, হ্যাঁ? Extended period না হয়। It will. Yes. And 6 months.
My lord,
Just a minute. Goods were seized on 7/8/2025 in the period of 6 months would expire on 7/2/2026. Full stop. It is contended that no further extension has been done or communicated. That's what they can aim. Okay. Yes.
My lord, I have three tea states, my lord, under Barak Tea Company Limited, my lord. Now, there is a PF dues, my lord, amounting.
Who is from
rupees-
PF? PF, Standing Council PF. There are Standing Council PF. Who's there?
Sharma.
Oh,
Rakesh Sharma.
Maybe he or Mr. Bora, J. Bora. Joyraj Bora, maybe. Please have them.
Maybe listen, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, kindly timing, Lordship. Assure for the timing, Lordship.
Timing. What is the matter?
Letter of the
He's
APDCL.
claiming
matter.
certain dues
Hmm?
from the APDCL manor. Who is a franchisee of the APDCL manor is claiming certain dues. At this stage, notice can be
What is he claiming?
dues
Dues.
arising out of a franchisee.
Franchisee from you. Okay, we can issue notice.
Yes,
What is your name?
SM Mandal.
S.A. Mondal. Are you on record? Yes, you are on record. Heard Sri S.A. Mondal, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who by means of this application is claiming certain dues as a franchisee of the APDCL. Put stop. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable on. بس بس returnable on which date? 24th of July. Power Department, you will accept? Art Aluda State Council for 1. APDCL, Mr. Chaudhary.
24228.
23228 B. Chaudhary. Extra copies.
Okay.
6.
bad vigilance. Will not, some PWD will not issue a tender for say, like on road construction contract. Now, my lord, a bridge, sorry. And my lord, there were 4 bidders, my lord. Amongst others, the petitioners were also one of the bidder.
Yes.
Now, my lord, it so happened, the technical bid evaluation was completed, whereby, my lord, whereafter only the petitioner remained. Others were held to be non-responsive. But not outright rejection, my lord. The reasons have been, we have annexed the technical bid evaluation minutes. Now, Lordship knows there is a circular issued by the CVC
Yes.
that normally in case of a
Single bidder.
single bidder,
Hmm.
it should be put to retender.
Hmm.
But my lord, subsequently, my lord, there is a circular issued by the ministry, my lord. If your lordship would kindly come to page 84, my lord.
Yes.
That is the circular where, my lord, certain exception has been carved out.
Second time, if it is not there.
Yes.
84.
84 it starts, my lord. Please come to 85. Para 4. In view of above, it has been decided that single bid received in opening bidding will not be rejected provided the following conditions are satisfied. The procurement was satisfactorily advertised and sufficient time was given for submission of bid. Qualification criteria were not unduly restrictive. Prices are reasonable in comparison to the market value. So, my lord, even if there is a single bid in these 3 situations, it can be worked out. Now, please come to page 73, my lord. That's the part of the minutes of the technical, 78.
Page 78.
78, my lord. It is part of the technical bid evaluation minutes, my lord. In view of the above,
the bid evaluation committee had finalized the names of the technically responsive and non-responsive bidder and are depicted in the table for evaluation of substantive responsiveness of the technical bid and also stated below. Midas is the petitioner, my lord. Other three are held to be non-responsive. Since it has become an instance of a single bid, the BEC has decided to check the condition as per Ministry Circular dated 28/8/24 on acceptance of single bid for National Highway Works. Now, this is the justification. The procurement was satisfactorily
This is
advertised.
84. 28.8 is 84.
84 million.
Okay.
On acceptance of the single bid for National Highway Works. The procurement was satisfactorily advertised in Central Public Procurement Portal of North, so-and-so, so-and-so, and sufficient time of 35 days, that is from 12/3/26 to 17/4/26 has been given for submission of bid. The qualification criteria are not unduly restrictive. The third criteria regarding prices are reasonable as compared to market value cannot be assessed at this moment as the financial bid has not yet opened. In view of this, the BEC recommended for opening of financial bid of the technical responsive bidder to assess the third criteria. So, my lord, thereafter, my lord, what had happened at page 82, this is the order which has been issued by the Government of India, my lord, that Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. It's a non-speaking order, my lord.
82.
Page 82. This is, we are assailing this order. 9th of June 26. This has reference to minutes of financial evaluation held on 3/6/26 for the above mentioned work. In this regard, it is informed that Secretary so-and-so has decided and instructed to cancel the bids invited for the subject work. So from this impugn order, what is evident is, my lord, financial evaluation also took place. Huh? Page 79. Now, page 79, my lord. In fact, the price is 1.06% below. Now, my lord, the work has been cancelled. Now, my humble submission is, my lord, I understand this is the reason. If there is any other reason, my lord, only when they appear, it will be evident. Only thing is, my lord, in the meantime, this work should not be put to retender, my lord. That's my only submission. Because the Government of India, Ministry of Mort will now put pressure on retender. So only thing is my limited prayer, let us have the instruction at a short date, my lord. So my prayer is, my lord, this work should not be put to retender.
Could we put an embargo like that?
My lord, my humble submission is, otherwise, my lord, there will be once tender is issued.
No, we can have some balancing
Yes.
order. If it's retendered, no proceedings for you to participate,
Ah.
do not allot to anybody.
Yes.
That
Yes,
we can do.
That can also.
And without your prejudice to you, you can also participate. Mr.
May I submit, Lordship? Although I am appearing for state government laws, and the impugn order has been issued by the central government laws, central government. At this stage, my prayer will be, Lordship, instead of, if CGC is directed to obtain instruction and take up this matter at the earliest, Lordship, that will be, I think.
CGC, where is CGC?
I was a copy edition.
Please have him, if you can have the instructions next week.
Yes,
It's
yes.
better for us.
Otherwise, Lordship, we are also not aware on what reason this tender bid was cancelled.
The first, till now, at least there is nothing on surface that a new.
This is the reason why.
No, a new process has started. So the aspect of considering interim order may not even arise, but immediately it will come.
Yes.
It will come.
It's bound to come.
Bound to come. What is the bridge?
Bridge.
Where?
My lord, the tender is at page 30, my lord.
Bridge where?
1 second.
Because
the name of the work is, my lord, repair.
No, we have seen the name. We do not, the name, place is not discernible.
Under Gauhati division, my lord. Jaga to kote exactly. Under PWD Gauhati NH division in the state of Assam. Nam to jaga to thakibo lage nam to. নাই একো নাই তাতো একে stretch between Howli, Jalukbari to Howli stretch repairing bridges repairing my lord,
Repair rehabilitation.
several bridges from Jalukbari to Howli stretch.
Okay. Can we have the CGC? Madam, you will be there. Allotted to her, Mr. Gogoi.
Second, communicate the order of the honorable court, my lord.
No, we wanted you to have the instruction. If it's possible by next week. Otherwise, you'll have go immediately after the reopening.
Vacation.
In that case, we may have to pass a detailed order. If you are bringing next week, then we can just fix for motion next week. Let us fix for motion next week. You try to bring instruction? Huh? No, that you did not have, but your petition will be served upon you. Okay. Heard Sri K.N. Chaudhary, learned senior counsel assisted by Sri Sharma. Oh, sorry, A. Chakraborty for the petitioner. Full stop. The grievance of the petitioner is with regard to an order dated 9/6/2026 issued by the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, by which a tender process which had reached the stage of financial evaluation has been cancelled. Full stop. It is
Directed to be cancelled, my lord.
instructed to
Yes,
cancel.
instructed.
As I said, instructed to cancel. Has been cancelled. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that in response to the NIT in question, there were 4 bidders, including the petitioner, and in the technical evaluation, the bid of the petitioner was found to be the only bid which was technically responsive. Full stop. It is the case of the petitioner that though normally a single bidder is not accepted, certain exceptions have been carved out via a circular dated 28/8/2024, wherein 3 situations have been contemplated. Full stop. The tender committee in its minutes of meeting after considering the second circular had recommended the work in favor of the petitioner. Full stop. It further transpires that subsequently the financial bid was opened and the bid of the petitioner was found to be 1.06% below. Full stop. Under those circumstances, the learned senior counsel has submitted that the action to cancel the tender does not appear to be reasonable, apart from the fact that no reasons have been cited. Since the petitioner is also praying for an interim order for let instructions be obtained by Ms. K. Fukan, the learned CGC. Put the 3 P. Nayak, learned AAG, appears for the state, who however submits that though the decision is of the central government, there is urgency in the matter, which should not stop. In view of the above, list again for motion on, can we have on 24th?
Yes, my lord.
24th, by which date Ms. Fukan, the learned CGC, would obtain the instructions to facilitate the learned CGC to have the instructions, let an extra copy of the writ petition be served upon her during the course of the day.
Yes. Deep. It will come up again on motion.
24th motion.
May I please your lordship. Lordship, the matter relates to non-payment of bills. Petitioner's firm had The respondent authority had hired vehicles from the petitioner's firm, Lordship,
Hmm.
and the petitioner have submitted his bills, Lordship. However, till date, no payment has been made, Lordship.
Acknowledgement, madam.
Lordship.
Acknowledgement.
Lordship, in the bills, they have received the,
That is not acknowledgement. Acknowledgement of the dues by the chief engineer or head of the department.
Lordship, we have the bills, Lordship.
That will not be enough. You cannot come to the writ court. We cannot entertain this petition, madam. Unless you fulfill Tamsher Ali, we cannot.
Lordship, petitioner is the owner of a one vehicle, another vehicle owner is different. Paragraph number 3, Lordship.
There are two petitioners.
Yes, no. One is a firm and represented by the owner,
Owner.
but he has rented 2 vehicles as per their statement.
Now that we have seen, there are two. There is another vehicle which is the petitioners and not the owners. Who is the owner of the other vehicle, madam?
Lordship, one Gopal Chandra Bonia, Lordship.
Why haven't you made him a party?
Lordship.
You cannot espouse the cause of somebody else. And the foremost point is that rate will not be maintainable. Where are the acknowledgement, madam? Page.
Lordship, bills are in page 20, Lordship.
28.
20.
20.
Starting from 20, Lordship.
Yes. Where is the acknowledgement?
Lordship, they have received the copy.
No, received is not acknowledged. Receipt. Acknowledgement of receipt is different. Acknowledgement of dues is different. And acknowledgement of dues not only has to be there, it has to be by the head of the department. I heard Ms. P. Sharma, learned counsel, for the petitioners who by means of this application has prayed for a direction for release
Lordship,
of.
I may be allowed to withdraw with
You will approach the civil court.
with liberty to file a fresh, Lordship. In case I can.
Okay. We'll write the first line, huh? Yes, Ilya? Has prayed for a direction for release of bills owing to giving 2 vehicles on hire to the which department? Home department.
Lordship, Home Department.
Home department. Full stop. Para. Ms. Sri S.R. Barua, the Learned State Council, has however submitted that there is an inherent defect in the presentation of the petition, which involves 2 vehicles, and the second vehicle is not owned by the petitioners. Full stop. This court has also noticed that there is no acknowledgement of the dues by the head of the department, which is an essential requirement as laid down by the Honorable Full Bench in the case of Tamsir Ali versus so para. At this stage, Ms. Sharma, the Learned Counsel for the petitioner, prays for withdrawal. Submits that she would withdraw the writ petition. For Tapsi, however, prays for liberty to file afresh with proper documents. Para. In view of the above, writ petition is dismissed on withdrawal with liberty as prayed for.
Much obliged, Lordship.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, in this case, we are appearing as legal aid counsel, my lord. My lord, what has happened? The petitioner, my lord, petitioner's uncle, my lord, was having a fair price shop, my lord. And he was assisting his uncle due to, my lord, his poor health, illness, etc. My lord, in that regard, my lord, the owner of the fair price shop, my uncle, my lord, Paresh Sharma, by way of affidavit, my lord, annexure 2,
Page
Page 15, my lord.
50,
115, my lord.
15. Yes.
Has your lordship got it, my lord?
What is this?
This is, my lord, an affidavit. Come, no objection certificate. Whereby, my lord, the owner of the fair price shop, my lord, my uncle, Paresh Sharma. My lord, Paresh Chandra Sharma, my lord, he said, due to, my lord, paragraph number 3, due to my poor health and condition, I could not able to run the said shop. That Angshuman Sharma, aged about so-and-so, who is my nephew, and I have no objection if the concerned authority transfer the said license in his name. Then, my lord, I applied for my
Are
uncle-
license transferable? Licenses are not transferable.
My lord, it is, my lord, as per the orders, as per the rules of the
1982 rules.
authority, my lord, yes.
Let us see where licenses are. No license are transferable.
No, my lord, after death. my lord,
After death.
After death.
After death, that's a different matter.
Yes, my lord. He died in the year 2024.
Who Paresh, the
Paresh,
owner
the
died?
owner died. Because he was suffering from deadly disease, my lord, of cancer.
Owner
And he-
died.
Yes.
Thereafter,
Thereafter, my lord, he applied. this
you
PR.
you had
I
applied.
And in a by annexure 3, my lord, by annexure 3,
Yes.
they have asked me to deposit, my lord, chalan, requisite fees, my lord.
Hmm.
That is, my lord, at page 316. Binocular page, your lordship will find 17.
Okay. Thereafter,
Thereafter, my lord, I made representation before the authority on 31st 1 2024, my lord, in annexure 4, page 18.
hmm. But you said that the owner had passed away in the year 2024.
Correct.
But this application by which you are asked to deposit fee was prior to the death. How did they move?
Because, my lord, at that point of time, he was absolutely bedridden, my lord. He could not
Okay.
able to, my lord, move around, my lord. Accordingly, my lord, to run the shop.
Okay, thereafter?
Thereafter, my lord, this several representation, my lord, we have filed. Then, my lord, your lordship will find the beneficiaries, my lord, list of beneficiaries.
Hmm.
They have also endorsed, my lord, that they have
Now what
no-
has happened? It's
Now,
not
my
been
lord,
done.
now, my lord, wide annexure 9,
Page
page, my lord, 31.
31.
31, correct.
Yes, what has happened?
Lordship, kindly see the order, my lord. Order dated 2/8/2024. FP shop dealer license is hereby issued to Chandan Sharma. Now, Chandan Sharma is my cousin, my lord. He did not apply for it, my lord. He did not associated with Paresh Sharma, the owner. I was all along with him. I was, my lord, there when he was suffering from, my lord, illness, etc. And I was running his shop.
So
in
these
fact.
are all private disputes, individual disputes.
No, my lord. Lordship, kindly see the order that has been passed.
Who is this Chandan? He's the son of Paresh.
Lordship, prior to this petition,
I have filed, my lord, earlier
another
petition.
was there. They have challenged that communication to the treasury to refund their fees. So in
No,
that
not
petition,
refund.
Lordship,
No, my lord.
that
Lordship,
order,
Okay, we'll come to.
the order at
We'll come to you,
page
Mr.
31.
Bishop. Just let him come to you.
the coordinate bench, my lord, has passed an order.
You passed earlier petition, why?
Because, my lord, the process was initiated for, my lord, giving license to the third party, that is Chandan Sharma. My lord. Chandan Sharma has also applied after death.
So you filed a earlier petition.
Then I filed a writ petition, my lord. In the meantime, during pendency of the writ petition, my lord, by this order, Annexion 9, my lord, they have given license to to Chandan Sharma, my lord. And accordingly, this honorable court, my lord, gave us liberty to withdraw this application, writ petition, my lord, to file a fresh challenging this order, my lord. Now, this order, my lord, with all respect, my lord, absolutely, my lord, arbitrary and without following the prescribed norms, rules, my lord, of the authority, my lord, for granting.
Shows the law that one who was serving the earlier licensee would be entitled to some preference.
No, but why my case has been rejected, my lord? My
That
lord,
we do not know.
That
How-
cannot be arbitrary, my
How
lord.
many applications are there?
Yes,
And who is the
Lordship.
Chandan Sharma? We do not know.
Lordship, he has annexed the affidavit in opposition we have filed in the earlier round of litigation.
By?
Yeah.
By?
Lordship.
You, department?
Yes, Department
Yes,
Lordship,
yes.
Assistant Director of Food and Civil Supply. Where not only the petitioner, altogether there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 applicants were there. And some complaints were there regarding the petitioner for issuance. So beneficiary decided.
Okay, let us examine this then.
Yes,
Who are parties here, Mr. Sen?
my lord.
Chandan is a party or not?
Chandan Sharma is a party. Lord.
Chandan Sharma, I have made now, my lord. Respondent number 5.
He's your cousin.
Yes.
Distant relative, my lord. That is why, my lord, since we are there, my lord, she ought not to have, my lord.
Let him enjoy.
My lord, my lord.
Let him enjoy. He is also in
My
difficulty.
lord, he is not, my lord. He is sound, my lord. Financially sound.
Financially
is fine,
sound.
my lord. Yes.
Better than you.
To my instruction, my lord.
Better than you. Better than you.
And my lord, this owner, my lord, we were looking after the owner of the.
That will not give you any right.
But that doesn't, my lord. But on humanity ground, my lord, what I say.
Your
that
your grounds are more.
after death, this Chandan Sharma woke up, my lord, and say that please give it to me, my lord. Prior to that, he did not come, did not, my lord, take care of this.
What about the other contenders? They had also come. They had also applied. There are 5 contenders.
Yes, altogether.
Is
But,
it not? It's
that-
not
but-
an essential condition that you be related to the earlier fair price licensee or have taken care of him.
My lord,
That is-
they are outsider. Only Chandan Sharma and my lord Angshuman Sharma, we are the related to Paresh Sharma, my lord.
Okay. Heard. Free BKS and legal aid counsel for the petitioner. Full stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by an order dated 2/8/2020. Where have you come so late?
It's there. my lord.
2024. We have come to 26 to the court in 2026.
No. Order was passed, my lord, during the pendency of the case. My
Understood.
lord. We did not know when the affidavit in opposition, my lord, filed. Then it was brought to the notice of the court as well as us.
That cannot be.
My lord,
Because
that
he is running the shop.
My lord-
Mr. Sen, you
my-
stay there.
correct.
You see the shop is being run by Chandan Sharma since 2024 and you say that you are not aware of it.
No, my lord, no. Chandan Sharma was not. Order was passed, my lord, 2024, but it come to our knowledge when
So where do you stay?
my lord,
Where do you stay?
in a different village, my lord.
Not Bangalore, not Bombay.
No. In a different village, same district.
So you do
same
not know
district.
who's running the shop.
Not know because
You
I
do not
was.
know. You are not interested in the shop.
I was kept in dark.
You are not interested
darkness,
in
my lord.
your area.
My lord, with all respect, my lord, this.
Why have you come to the court, sorry?
My-
And if you make the statement
My lord.
that you came to know about the order on the affidavit, then you are gone out of. You do
No,
not have any case.
We came to know from their affidavit that during pendency of the case, my lord, this Chandan Sharma has been.
So how
allotted.
was he running the shop since last 2 years?
He is not running, my lord. Now, my lord, somebody says, my lord, it is closed, my lord.
We don't even know what is the position.
Now, my lord, as per the instruction, he says, my lord,
Bad
now
case,
it is
absolutely.
this allotment.
Not
is
only
absolutely-
on law, it is bad on facts also.
My lord, your lordship kindly examine, my lord, as to whether
He could last-
my rejection is arbitrary.
2/8/2024, whereby a fair price shop has been allotted to the respondent number 5, full stop, para. As per the facts projected, comma, the said fair price shop was earlier run by one, what was his name? Paresh Sharma,
Paresh Sharma, correct.
who is the uncle of the petitioner. And since the said Paresh Sharma was unwell, the petitioner was helping him out in running the business full stop. The petitioner has also referred to a no objection affidavit by the earlier owner with regard to transfer of the license to the petitioner. The earlier owner had, however, died on 2024, and the petitioner had applied for license which was not acted upon, full stop. He has also drawn the attention of this court to a communication dated 8/9/2023, whereby he was directed to deposit certain fee. As no action was taken, the petitioner had earlier filed WPC 5783 of 2024, in which the impugned order had come to light in the form of an affidavit filed by the respondent authorities. Full stop. The earlier writ petition was accordingly withdrawn with liberty, and the present petition has been instituted. Let notice be issued. Oh, no. 3 S.R. Buro, the London State Council, has, however, submitted that from the materials available, it appears that there were as many as 5 contenders for the license, and in the selection, the respondent number 5 was selected. Full stop. He has also submitted that a relative of an earlier fair price shop would not get any preference under the existing law. Be that as it may, let notice be issued, returnable on 20th of July 2003. S.R. Boro, the London State Council accepts for 1, 2, 3,
And 4.
4 extra copies. Let steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 5 be taken by speed post with AD. Steps within 2 days. Yes.
Obliged, Miller, deeply obliged.
Item 4,
Mr. Sharma?
Okay, I have not received a copy as yet, but may I pray that let the matter come on next Wednesday? I think it's convenient for the petitioner. In the meantime, I take instruction and be supplied with a copy.
Okay. Heard 3 J. Royal and Senior Counsel, assisted by 3 S. Sharma. Full stop. 3 R. Sharma, London Standing Counsel PF, has, however, informed that copy has not been served upon him. Full stop.
We have served the council, but of course, he is one of the council. He cannot-
On him. Full stop. Nonetheless, he submits that some time may be granted to enable him to obtain the instructions. Let a copy of the petition be served upon Mr. Sharma during the course of the day. Let this matter be listed for motion on Wednesday next.
Right.
Please
24.
give the date.
24.
Obliged.
Item 9.
Also, in this matter, we sought from some accommodation as we are standing for getting our civil lordship.
19 matter. When did you send for waiting?
It was sent.
What
on,
is the matter,
first
Dr. Trudy?
lordship.
Lordship, regarding a rejection of capital interest investment subsidy, Lordship.
Rejection of
Capital investment subsidy for the
capital investment subsidy.
for
It
the
is within the domain of the state government.
Lordship Industries Department. On 2 occasions, Lordship, we have it was considered by the state level committee, and on both occasions it was rejected by taking interpretation which is not in accordance with the policy, Lordship. In similar matters, Lordship, although on the earlier occasion, similar cases has been disposed with direction to reconsider. And to my knowledge, those cases have been reconsidered and the subsidy has been granted. But presently, in my case, Lordship, they have received.
Okay, but last opportunity, you file it. Financial implications are there, but we are not going to differentiate. Heard Dr. A. Todi, Ankit Todi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para 3. S.R. Borua, learned state council has renewed the prayer for grant of time to file the affidavit, which has been stated to be sent for vetting. Full stop para. Considering that this matter is pending since the year 2019, a final opportunity is granted to the respondents to file the affidavit. Para. A list on 21st of July for admission hearing. Tuesday. File it before that.
Lordship.
Obliged. I take your, my lord, I take your lordship indulgence. Next item 10 and 11 was mentioned by senior of my opposite party, my lord, that my schedule has been disturbed, my lord. Actually, it has been fixed on Friday, my lord. Can it be on Tuesday, my lord? I mean, tomorrow, my lord, Thursday.
Thursday.
10
We
and
can
11.
have it, but who, I don't know who had typed out.
The junior of Mr.
No, so who had typed out, do not know.
It's a matter pertaining to distance.
No,
my lord.
somebody has typed out the order.
Oh,
It was
I'm
that
sorry.
motion. Huh? Change kori bole. Kali, can you have it tomorrow? Or day
Yes,
after
ma'am.
tomorrow?
Day after tomorrow, I have a difficulty, my lord.
Tomorrow, okay. Ekara hunkale pothai dibo lagibo. Aru apunak koi diya eti. Okay.
Highly obliged, my lord.
Your Lordship, my senior is currently engaged in a matter before another court.
Item number?
13. I humbly request for a passover for the time being.
These are all matters. So, 13 to 18. Yes, madam. Bora?
Lordship, we have received one instructions, as per instructions, we are send a letter to the district commissioner for validated certificate. This one is non-payment of bills, Lordship.
When did you write? 9/6.
9/6.
Response has not come.
Lordship.
Yes, Deputy Commissioner.
My lord, I may be provided with a copy, my lord,
Yes.
so I can take instruction.
Okay.
Lordship.
In connection with the claim made in this case for release of contractual bills, Ms. N. Bora, the Land Standing Council PNRD department has submitted that communications were made to the Deputy Commissioner, District Commissioner, Lakhimpur Communications, to verify the validity of the bills. Full stop. Such communications were made on 25/2/2026, followed by 9/6/2026. And the response is still awaited. Para. This court directs the Ms. Udas, the Learned State Council, to obtain instructions from the concerned District Commissioner Lakhimpur in this regard. Para. Let copies of the communication dated 25/2/2026 and 9/6/2026 be furnished to Ms. Das during the course of the day to enable her to do the needful. Para. List on, we'll have it after the vacation. List on the 24th of July. You have copies of this, madam?
Lordship.
Please hand over copies.
my lord, I was directed to obtain instruction, my lord, on earlier date, my lord. I have received the instruction, my lord.
Okay.
I have prepared the affidavit also, my lord, but I haven't received, my lord, the hard copy.
Okay.
Soft copy they have sent, my lord. From HR, my lord.
Okay.
So
Mm.
instruction is here, my lord.
You have prepared the,
Prepared, I have sent, they have also, my lord, prepared it and sent by speed post, my lord.
okay, okay.
Day before yesterday.
What is your name?
FLS comment.
Oh, it's heard 3 F.A. Laskar, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para? Miss Udas, learned state counsel, has submitted that the affidavit in opposition has been prepared and sent for waiting. Full stop, para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on 24th of July, by which time the affidavit in opposition is required to be filed.
Yeah.
You appear for whom? Name? Priyan Sharma, learned counsel for the APDCL is present.
21.
Yes, Mr. Nath.
My lord, matter relates to non-payment of contract plus liabilities, my lord. And admission is at page 18, my lord. My lord, although the admission is by the assistant executive engineer, my lord. My lord, on last week, my lord, similar matter has been listed before the coordinate bench, my lord. And the chief engineer of the department is directed to file an affidavit in this regard about the.
It's Public Works.
Yes.
Public Works Department.
Irrigation.
Irrigation, who's there? Irrigation.
Mrs.
Irrigation
Neo-
Department
Miss
Council.
Neo.
DS Nehug or N. Upadhyay. Mr. Nath, can you have them?
Yes, I have the phone.
And no, can you have them
Yes.
in the court?
Yes, I'll
Yes.
call.
Call them?
Yes.
Then we can pass an effective order.
My lord.
Wait, please, Lord.
Yes, Mr. Laskar.
In this case, the vehicle of the petitioner was taken by the respondent and authority on hire charge basis. Ultimately, bill was not paid for a long period of time amounting to rupees 10,22,000. In their affidavit, they have admitted the amount, but saying that they require one GST form. I am a owner of a private vehicle, your lord. There is no GST. That is what they are insisting, and I cannot give, for which they are not releasing the.
Lordship.
Then how do you give a vehicle for hire without a GST being registered with the GST?
This is a private vehicle. They used to take like
Private
this. They
vehicle,
also
you
did
cannot
not-
give it for hire. You cannot route it through a legal process.
No, when they have taken, they did not mention that it should be only a.
You cannot give a private vehicle for hire. That is the law. We are not saying that you may not be, you're absolutely not entitled. But if you go by law, strictly by law, you'll be in difficulty to claim the amount.
Earlier, they have paid some amount, but now they are.
This will be something of kind of a private arrangement.
They have received part of the amount, Lordship.
No,
If you have made a part of the amount, then why don't you release them? If you're insisting on GST, the entire contract will be constrained to hold the contract non-est in law. You cannot give one hire a private vehicle. Though practically you are giving,
Lordship.
and you are also taking a private vehicle with your eyes open. Then that officer would be liable to pay from his own pocket. How much amount is pending, Mr. Laskar?
They have admitted 10,03,000.
3,000.
For 2 years, they have not paid anything.
10 lakh is still pending.
Pending. Earlier, I received 1,56,000 and then received 1,69,000. These were part payments. And after that payment, they did not make any payment. From
Now balance is how much?
10,03,000.
Balance is 10 lakh.
10 lakh.
That is, actual amount was around 13 lakhs.
They used to make part after 3-4 months. They used to make a payment. But what happened for last 2 years? They did not make any payment. So the amount became quite also. Otherwise, they after every 3-4 months they were making a payment, some 1 lakh, whatever bill was there. But for last 2 years they did not make any payment. And they have also released the vehicle.
Try to sort out this matter. Don't treat a citizen like this.
Lordship, in fact, over phone, they were intimated to submit his bills, and he stated that he was outside, out of station, Lordship. As soon as he reaches Gauhati, he will submit. Now they.
Both of you give instructions. We'll have this after the vacation. Try to sort out the matter.
Lord.
It may not be 10 lakhs, but it has to be substantially compliance with the demand, with the bill amount. After proper verification, of course.
They have admitted the bill amount, but what they are saying is that I need to file a GST.
It is pursuant to some instructions, Lordship.
Affidavit is there, your Lordship.
Headquarters that no hand-signed bill proposal will be accepted unless all required documents are found in order. They have been asked to deposit these documents.
Which document?
These GST bills and all this. Directed to submit the documents over phone. They were also intimated over phone, and in turn, they informed that he was out of station and the documents will be submitted on return to Gauhati.
I have submitted all the documents except this.
At that point of time, he intimated that he will submit his documents, and now they're taken.
No, he's stuck with the GST
Lordship.
registration.
Lordship.
And since the vehicle is a private vehicle, the question of registering with the GST will not come. And if you go strictly by law, as we have already discussed, you cannot give on hire a private vehicle.
Lordship.
So, but will it mean that he is not entitled to the amount if you have utilized the services and the vehicle?
And that is one of the documents, Lordship. And other documents are declaration certificate and driving license.
These are all I have furnished, except
these documents have to be submitted with all the bills, Lordship.
Have you done those? Other requirements have you
as per
fulfilled?
instruction I have submitted, but I will again submit. I will again submit.
The issue is with regard to a demand, a claim for higher charges of the vehicle of the petitioner, which was given on hire to the
Supreme
Office of the Superintendent of Police.
Commissioner of Police.
Commissioner of Police, Kachar.
No, Gauhati.
Gauhati. Full stop. It is submitted that there is an admission.
Yes, admission, your Lordship.
Of
10 lakh 3,009.
Of an amount of rupees 10 lakh, 10 lakh approximately. Full stop. The impediment, however, is on account of not being able to produce the GST registration. Full stop para. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the vehicle, being a private vehicle, there was no GST registration, and knowing fully well, the vehicle was taken on hire and utilized by the authorities. Para. At this stage, 3, our Talukdar, learned State Council has submitted that some time be given to obtain instructions. Full stop. He has otherwise submitted that the petitioner was earlier directed to submit the relevant documents, and he had responded that he, being out of station, would submit the documents later. Full stop. Para. 3, Hawk, the learned counsel has submitted that all the documents have been submitted. Full stop. However, he undertakes to resubmit the documents again. Full stop. Para. In view of the above, let the matter be adjourned to be listed on 27th of July. Full stop. Para. Pendency of this case shall not be a bar for resolution of the dispute between the parties.
Submit all the documents except this GST.
That, of course,
Lordship. Oblige, Lordship.
I think 20 more time.
Yes, madam. Let the chief engineer file an affidavit. Okay, there is some acknowledgement. If we go by Tamsir Ali, we cannot go by an acknowledgement by the assistant executive engineer or anyone below the chief engineer or the head of the department. But he is citing an order of a coordinate bench. Hmm?
The amount is he's applying for he's claiming for two amounts, my lord. One amount is already admitted, the other is an other consideration.
Admitted by whom? Huh? Executive engineer will not do.
Yes.
Tamsir Ali says chief engineer or the head of the department. That is why in another case, a direction has been given to have the views of the chief engineer by way of an affidavit. Okay. Third, DM not learned counsel for the petitioner who has approached this court with a grievance of non-payment of contractual dues. Footstep. The learned counsel has submitted that though there is a requirement that for adjudication of such matters by a writ court, there has to be an admission by the chief engineer / head of the department in accordance with the law laid down by the Honorable Full Bench in the case of Tamsir Ali versus so-and-so, reported in so-and-so, comma. Our coordinate bench in a recent, by the recent order had directed the chief engineer to file an affidavit with regard to the aspect of admission. Para? Para? Also heard Miss D.S. Neu, Learned Standing Council. Water Resource. Irrigation Department. Para? Let an affidavit be filed by the respondent number 3, yes, the chief engineer of the department. Let such affidavit be filed. Department within a period of 4 weeks from today. List on 29th of July.
Here, my lord, also I have sent for waiting, my lord, and affidavit matters. Max, waiting on what was.
Your GA bus. Heart Free GA bus learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. Miss Udas, Learned State Council, has however submitted that the affidavit in opposition has been prepared and sent for vetting. Footstep C accordingly prays for some time. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on 27th of July, by which time the affidavit is required to be filed.
Some short time.
24th, not much, because vacations will be there. What is the subject matter?
His lordship, arms license.
Granting of
License.
arms.
My main grievance is that.
Why do you need arms?
No, lordship, only my main grievance is that the rule says that within.
Why do you need arms? First you
Because
answer.
there are some life threats, lordship, that's why.
Life threat?
And there are.
Who are you?
Reports are also there, lordship.
Who are you?
I'm a lordship journalist, lordship.
Journalist?
Lordship. And there
Which, you are connected with which one? Which publication?
Lordship, that page number 22, lordship.
Page number 22. Recognized journalist. Dainik Purvodaya.
This is a Hindi newspaper. Lordship, my main grievance is that, lordship, that within.
You write in Hindi?
Lordship. This newspaper is Hindi.
You have to write in Hindi.
In Assamese and other local newspaper also, I submit reports, lordship. Lordship, that my main.
Where did you study?
I studied in Borpeta only, lordship.
And you are proficient in Hindi? Why do you need a gun, an arm?
Lordship, because there are some, then one report is there, Lordship.
Where page?
Page, Lordship, 27, page 27, Lord.
Oh, you're a journalist, businessman, and
Businessman.
has multiple shops.
Businessman also, Lordship.
Oh,
But my Lordship,
fit case for dismissal.
no, Lordship, my main.
Fit case for dismissal. Rekha.
Lordship, mainly,
No, we are not entertaining this kind of.
Lordship, my
Don't take this as an ego issue. Having a gun and wielding your gun. Why do you need a gun?
No, Lordship, I kindly see the, Lordship, rule 13 of the Lordship.
We are not going by rules.
Laws.
It's a code of equity. Why do you need a gun?
Lordship, there
The
is.
state is not in a position to protect you.
Lordship, because Lordship, I have, there is a statement, Lordship, that one life threat is also there, Lordship.
Where is the
There are
statement?
incidents, Lordship.
What is this report? Where is the life threatening? Who has given the life threatening?
Lordship,
What is the police doing? Where is your FIR?
FIR I have not annexed, but
Sorry. Sorry.
CR case I have.
We are not entertaining. You will be paying cost. You will be paying cost.
Then Lordship, may kindly sometime I
No, you will be paying cost.
satisfy Lordship. Because
The bar welfare needs some funds also.
Lordship, I have Lordship, may kindly see paragraph, Lordship.
Third, G. Abbas, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard.
Lordship, I am seeking some withdrawal, Lordship, because I have only mainly my grievance was that there is a rule that which says within 16 days.
We are not going by the rules. You have to satisfy that there is a trap perception on your life
Lordship.
and the police is not in a position to protect you.
Lordship, in the rule says that if the authority is not satisfied, Lordship,
Then all the citizens will have to be given a gun.
they can.
What about your friends in the bar?
They can refuse to.
What
get
about
my
you?
license,
You have a gun.
Lordship, may kindly see
Do you have a gun?
No, I have no.
Don't. You should say, you can see you also need a gun.
Lordship, may kindly see my
You come to the.
prayer number, prayer B, Lordship, may kindly see.
Sorry.
No, then
This-
Lordship, I may allow to.
These are not matters of rights, Mr. Abbas.
Lordship, kindly for 1 minute, Lordship, may kindly
Yes.
consider, Lordship, that I have only prayer number B, Lordship, may
Yes.
kindly see. Kindly see, Lord, page 19, Lordship.
Yes.
Prayer number B, Lordship.
Yes, we have seen.
Lordship, only that.
You make out a case that there is a life threatening upon you and the police is not in a position to protect you. You have lodged an FIR, you have complained, nothing is going to
I have
happen.
to complain, Lordship. I have not annexed, but one, Lordship, I will annex, Lordship, if Lordship gives some time, Lordship. I'll obtain certified copies of that complaint, Lordship.
You should have filed it where this is pending since 1 year.
Lordship, some time may be given.
Sorry.
Lordship,
No indulgence, no indulgence at all. Third, the instant application under Article 226 of the Constitution of India has been filed with the following prayer at page 19, full stop. Para. As per the facts projected, the petitioner is a journalist and claims to be a well-known businessman of the locality. Full stop. On 1/3/2024, he had applied for an arms license. Full stop. It is contended that there are frequent threatening and attacks on him, his family members, and his property. Full stop. It is also contended that inquiry was made and a verification report was issued on 14/7/2024, and the said was sent to the district commissioner by the superintendent of police on 28/2/2025. Full stop. It is contended that though a time limit is prescribed under the rules holding the field, the license has not been granted. Full stop. Para. Ms. Das, the learned State Council has submitted that grant of an armed license cannot be a matter of right, and unless a citizen makes out a case of extreme urgency or threatening to life in which the state has not been able to provide any security, a case may be made out, full stop, para. On a specific query made to the learned counsel for the petitioner as to whether any FIR or complaint was lodged by him, comma, the learned counsel has not been able to produce any such document, full stop. Though he had sought for time, comma, this court is of the opinion that this writ petition, which was filed in the year 2025 and is pending for about a year, and while filing and even during this period, the petitioner did not find it proper, did not think it fit to annex further documents. Para. This court is of the view that application for an arms license cannot be an indefeasible right, and the same has to be assessed by taking into consideration any perceptible threatening to life in which the state is unable to provide security. Full stop. That aspect, that is not the case which appears from the materials placed before us. Para.
Lordship,
The writ petition accordingly stands dismissed.
obliged.
24.
Yes, Mr. Das.
Yes, my lord. Pursuant to an NIT issued by the, my lord, Nalbari Medical College, my lord, for procurement of.
Mr. AG. Yes, Mr.
Lordship, we have received some instructions regarding this matter, regarding the appeal, regarding the status of the disposal of the appeal. We have received instructions. However, Lordship, my humble prayer, let it be placed by Mr. B. Google, Lordship.
When?
He's on legs, Lordship.
When can we have this?
After some time, Lordship.
After a while? Or we can have it day after tomorrow also.
Or Monday, my lord, Mr. Pathak is also not there today.
Monday,
My lord.
Pathak, on a joint request made by the learned counsel for the parties.
Against me, therefore, whether it is rejected or allowed, that much if we can place that.
We'll have it on Monday,
Yes.
Yes.
on a joint request made on behalf of the parties. Comma, the matter is adjourned to be listed on Monday.
Obliged.
Monday, date to deliver.
25 and 26.
Lordship, in this case, we have filed our affidavit. We have already filed our affidavit. Lordship, as per affidavit.
Would you like to file any rejoinder?
My lord,
Will you like to file any rejoinder affidavit?
no, my lord,
Not
because we have
required.
already filed.
So if you are agreeing, we can have it for disposal today or any day.
My lord, it may be disposed of today.
What is the matter?
Matter relates to the non-compliance of the order passed by the respondent number C. That has not been complied by the respondent number 8 and
What is the order of, what is
7A.
the order?
order is, my lord, 39 and 40. Annexure 5 and 6.
Page 39.
39, my lord.
What is your stand, madam?
Lordship, as per affidavit, Lordship kindly say para. Para 4. Para 4. Lordship, his bid is defective because he not submitted the all documents as per comparative statement.
No, what, this item number?
25 and 20.
Your Ali,
Yes, my lord.
Mr. Ali has said that there is an order at page 39 by the CEO of the Kamrup Jilla Parishad directing for compliance of certain directions. Now, one of the direction at serial number 4 was to the GP secretary to ensure that form of the tender committee within 3 days submit a complete proposal, so and so, issue settlement order, successful bidder. So why have we not complied with this?
Lordship, kindly see para
Yes, Mintu Ali, 7024 in WTC, is page number 75, para 5, Lordship. The executive meeting was held on 12th regarding the settlement of tenders of holders of Kenduganda daily and weekly markets in respect of Kenduganda, Mahara Gaon Panchayat, which was presided over by the president of the concerned Gaon Panchayat. The said meeting committee renewed all the tender documents and also the comparative statement so submitted and found that out of all the bidders, the tenders of petitioner and one Minal were cancelled because their documents and papers were incomplete, as they have not submitted the Bakida certificate. And on the other hand, the respondent number had found the genuine and valid. We had submitted all the required documents. And also came to the second has been, and therefore after the proper verification, the decision was taken by the development committee to approve the name of the respondent number 9. That is Babu Ahmed.
My lord, I may be permitted to place certain again, sir. My lord,
But this will require some time. We'll have it on either tomorrow or Tuesday.
my lord,
When do you have this? Tuesday, it might not be possible.
So and on
Hmm?
30 June 2026, the settlement period.
It's over. It'll be over.
30 June, on 30 June 2026.
Oh, what will you have then?
my lord, if possible, my lord, Friday.
Hmm. Now, what will you have? We are, today is what? Today is 17th of June.
June, my lord.
10 days you will run the market.
My lord, quite
It is
right.
effective also. Yes. So
My lord, she contented.
Our adjudication process will be mere academic. You will not get anything. Not get anything. Why did you wait for so long? You had filed this in 2025.
My lord, they have failed to file their affidavit on time, despite.
But 1 year term.
Yes,
Even if we decide in your favor,
my lord,
you'll get
but
nothing.
they have failed to
Service
file their
was-
affidavit.
service was
Service was completed.
Private respondent is there.
Private resident is there, but he has not contested the matter by filing his ukalatnama or any other instrument. my lord.
So Ali, there will be no, you'll not get anything after an adjudication.
My lord, since we complied with,
That is okay. No. On marriage, you are not saying.
yes,
Marriage, you may have a case. But the term, expiry of the term, thereafter, what will you get?
my lord, direction may be given to the authorities concerned, my lord. Yes, this honorable court may deem it improper. This is my humble submission.
What will
Otherwise,
you
we are
get?
not.
What will you get? 1 week. Will it serve your purpose? They will not serve your purpose. And thereafter, many formalities will be there. And in the meantime, new tender process will come.
My lord.
Who's running now?
Running now, Babu Ali, one
respondent.
private respondent.
He was not the highest bidder.
Has been there.
No, he was not the highest
He
bidder.
has not.
bid is defective because he has not submitted the Bakida.
My lord, I may be permitted to period the documents.
No, not today. Today
Okay.
we've got many matters. Can we try tomorrow?
Tomorrow.
Hmm?
Next week.
Next week will be motion days. Okay, next Tuesday. Next Tuesday.
My lord, on that very day, I have sessions case. So matter may be fixed on Friday, my lord, if possible. Friday, I have another case here. Friday.
Don't make this submission that you have a case in the magistrate
My
court.
lord,
So
I'm
you
sorry,
cannot
my
come to the high court.
I am sorry, but
Looks,
sessions case is.
it sounds very odd.
Yes.
All cases are important.
I am sorry, my lord. I may be excused. But my humble.
Friday.
Friday. my lord.
Friday. Don't take it in a motion day. Okay, let's try on Friday.
Okay.
Okay. On a joint request, matter is adjourned to be listed on 19th.
My lord. Highly. Both the matter, my lord.
Both.
My lord, this is the banning of the prisoner farm, my lord, without so cause without hearing, my lord. My lord, your losses, my lord, granted, my lord, the interim order, and but in spite of my lord several chances, they have not filed down. Last order, your losses may see how clearly my lord has said. So they have not done anything.
You have not filed affidavit.
The affidavit is already
Done, completed and send it for vetting.
Last time, same submission, my lord, same submission was made.
Concerned officer is out
My
of
lord,
station.
I do not know, my lord.
We are
No.
filing this affidavit within this week.
Last time also it said you'll be filing within a week. That was on 11/5/2026. Within this week means 2 days are there. This week. Today is Wednesday. Can you file within 2 weeks? 2 days. Then when can you file? Monday.
As the concerned officer is out of station.
How is out of station since how long? You get it vetted, get it signed by another officer.
Vetting also.
Hmm? Send by, get it executed by another officer.
My lord,
What is
even
the
a
matter?
Document would have been enough, my lord. No stoppage has been given even. No
What is,
hearing, question
what
of-
is the matter?
my lord, banning of that. Petition of blacklisting.
Blacklisting.
Blacklisting first.
Without show cause.
Without so cause, without hearing.
By which organization?
My lord, this is the National Institute of Technology.
NIT.
Silchar.
Silchar.
Your losses, my lord, after considering, my lord, passed the interim order earlier.
19th of January.
Because they did not appear since long time, my lord, in spite of service of notice, my lord.
Now there is an interim order.
There is interim order, but
You have been allowed to participate elsewhere.
but even then, my lord, the difficulty is facing, my lord.
Undertaking is.
Undertaking has to be given, other things, my lord. Yeah.
Okay, there is an interim order. Last chance, madam. Harshpreet G. and Sahewala Leonard, Senior Counsel for the petitioner. Para. Also heard Miss D. Das, appearing on behalf of S.P. Chaudhary. Also heard Miss D. Das, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Sri S.P. Chaudhary, Standing Counsel for the response numbers 2 and 3. Full stop. Ms. Das, the Learned Counsel, has renewed her prayer for grant of time to file affidavit in opposition. Para. The order sheets would, however, show that time was granted on earlier occasions to file the affidavit, which has not been done till date. Para. Considering the above, a last opportunity is granted to the responsibles 2 and 3 to file the affidavit list on Wednesday next. Para. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. Next Wednesday. 1 week, madam, as you had prayed. File it by Wednesday next. Yes, Mr. Manan.
Yes.
Petition, I am appearing for BSNL, my lord.
For?
For BSNL.
BSNL, okay.
My lord, affidavit is for pending for vetting, my lord.
What is the matter?
Matter relates to your lordship, there's a cancellation of tender and my earlier work.
And present stage?
Present stage is already, they have issued a tender and they have allotted the work to someone else.
Okay.
My challenge is the
Okay, let him file
cancellation
the affidavit.
and amount that. I
And
am
lying with them.
No, amount that I have already completed that I have claimed, your lordship. And with
For
regard to-
some part you have done.
Yes, half of them has been done, but there are issues why we have.
Heard Sri Y.S. Mandan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Para. Also heard Sri D. Bakshi, Learned Counsel for the BSNL, who has submitted that the affidavit has been prepared and
Pending for vetting.
sent for vetting. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on 27th of July, by which time the affidavit is required to be filed.
They have already, government have filed the affidavit.
Sri S.R. Borua, Learned State Council has submitted that the state respondents have already filed their affidavit. Madam, for? Who's 7? Turn number, please. Miss R. Bora. Learned.
My lord, let it be 28.
Okay, 28. Not 28, 29th. Countries.
Lodge.
R. Bora, and HIDCL is present. Okay.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship.
Although yesterday I have received the affidavit, but it was not notarized, my lord. I have to send back my.
By last order, my lord, it was directed by 11, on or before 11, it was.
Okay. Third Sri Haloi, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, who by drawing the attention of this court to the last order dated 18/5/2026 has submitted that the affidavit was supposed to be filed by 11/6/2026. Para. Ms. Udas, London State Council, has however submitted that though the affidavit was received by her for filing, it was not found to be authorized. And therefore, she prays for some more time to complete the formalities. Therefore,
Yes, 5 minutes.
Number 5, 6, 7, 8, and 11.
and Madam, also heard Ms. M.D. Bora, London Standing Council Cooperation Department, who submits that her department is a formal party. Para. Sri R. Sharma, Learned Council, for the private respondent numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9.
8 and 11.
8 and 5, 6, 7, 8, and 11. Submits that the affidavit by his clients has already been filed. Common affidavit.
I have received a copy.
Come on.
And
Received copy.
okay. When
Next week, my lord.
not next week. List on 22nd of July. You get enough time during the vacation. Okay.
Can it be 21st if possible? 22nd, I have.
First week of August.
No, 21st of July. if
21st,
possible.
we can have it on 20th of July, 2020.
Month.
Not 21st.
21st. Much better.
21 July.
Item 20.
In this matter, pleading completed, my lord, may take up this matter for final.
Yes, Alia?
My lord, in this case, I want to file a reply to the affidavits filed by respondents 1 and 4, my lord.
You'd like to file reply?
I'll file a reply, not so.
Okay, okay.
we
Madam,
can-
for what? 1 and 4?
For 3 and 4.
I'm for 1.
Who is 1?
Union and Indian.
Okay. You have filed affidavit?
Yes.
You also filed affidavit? Okay. Heard. Sri D.P. Chaliha, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Sri M. Roy for the, Miss M. Roy, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard, so your name?
S. Kakuti.
S. Kakuti, Learned CGC. Miss M.D. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel Transport. Anyone else? Name? And Sri A. Misra on behalf of the respondent number 5. Para. Affidavit in opposition has been filed by the Union of India as well as by the Transport Department. You have also filed affidavit? Not required. And as well as the Transport Department. Para. The London Senior Counsel for the petitioner has prayed for some time to file a rejoinder to the affidavit in opposition of the central government. What about the Transport Department, Transport or Corporation? Transport. What about Transport Department?
Both I will file.
Both, okay.
Both.
Praise for and key. Senior Counsel for the petitioner, praise for. A rejoinder affidavits to the affidavits filed by the Transport Department as well as filed by the central government as well as the as well as the Transport Department. Para. List. We give a date.
My lord.
List on when? Tell us. 24th of July. Is it okay for you? 24th of July. By which time? The rejoinder affidavits.
Maybe earlier, my lord, or later than that.
27th of July.
My lord. My lord.
Rejoinder affidavits are required to be filed.
My lord.
Item 21.
Meet with your lordship. Here, my lord, the chief engineer, my lord, public works road department, my lord, had issued an NIT, my lord, on 22/12/2025, my lord.
Public Works, who's there?
Gogoi was appearing, my lord.
Mr. Gogoi, Mr. Bhuya. Who's for PWD? There are many council for PWD. Ms. Sharma, Ms. Das, Mr. Chaudhary. Mr. Bora, where are your colleagues?
I will inform them.
Please inform somebody.
Now, my lord, in terms of that NIT, my lord.
You will have it after a while, Mr. Hawk.
Right,
Let them
right.
come. Names reflected or not?
Yes, I was.
No, names are reflected or not in the
Yes,
corners?
CPWD is there, my lord. They have filed affidavit also, my lord.
Okay, let them come.
My lord.
May I please? The matter relating to the petition is a proprietor of MS Obona Enterprise Limited, who is a registered certificate holder of cattle lordship for the purpose of trading of cattle lordship.
Okay.
Thereafter, for the purpose of transport of said cattle, as per SOP lordship for transport of cattle in Assam lordship, two documents required. One is lordship fitness certificate, health certificate as required under rule 47 of the transport of animal rules, and another is transit certificate. Thereafter, the present petition.
Do you have those two certificates?
No, lordship.
You do not have.
Thereafter, the petition approached the respondent to made a representative to issue a certificate, that two certificate for transport of said cattle lordship. But they are not issue any certificate.
They are not providing those certificates.
This is the case of the petition.
Mr. Goswami?
Yes, Lordship, what happened, Lordship, he had the permit for preservation of cattle, Lordship. But regarding transportation, Lordship, the facts matters, Lordship. When he applied for transportation of a particular cow's, Lordship, that application should be made before the district authority, Lordship, of animal husbandry, Lordship. And if the district authority of the animal husbandry found that this is the fit animals to transport for transportation, which destination was given by him.
You have filed
Then only that-
affidavit.
yes.
Have you filed affidavit?
No, yes, I have to file, but extra copy is not.
Diana?
No.
Sorry, I instructed my advocate to submit the.
You give extra copy.
I will provide today itself.
See, if it is based on certain reasons,
And Lordship, in the
reasons which is connected with your fulfillment,
Lordship.
to have those certificates, those reasons have to be stated in the affidavit. Give them a chance to file the affidavit. You have to state the reasons why are you denying the certificates. Okay.
and also, Lordship, in the last occasion, Lordship, he stated that regarding the synopsis, Lordship.
That is
correct
correct.
synopsis.
That is always.
No, no, that was not served, Lordship.
It was ঠিক আছে. Okay, the synopsis is correct.
It was second file. It was second file first.
Oh, there's no correction for that photo file for correct. Already corrected, Lordship. That is synopsis is correct.
Copy not furnished.
It copy. Copy দিয়ে দিম আগে. I will serve the copy today itself, Lordship. District
Heard,
Islam.
your B Islam.
Lordship.
Heard three B Islam learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard three J.K. Goswami learned
Standing counsel.
standing counsel, AHN Veterinary Department. Peruse the last order dated 1/6/2026. Para. Sri Goswami, the learned standing counsel, has informed that extra copies are yet to be served upon him. Full stop. He has also indicated that there is a requirement to file fresh synopsis. Full stop. Para.
Who's already?
You have-
Already correct, Lordship.
Okay. Sri Islam, the learned counsel for the petitioner, undertakes, has served extra copies to Sri Goswami in the court itself. Para. He has also undertaken to make the necessary corrections in the synopsis.
That's already
Para.
correct, Lordship.
He has also submitted that fresh synopsis has been filed in the meantime.
Lord.
Para. Sri Goswami, the learned standing counsel, prays for and is granted 4 weeks' time to file the affidavit in opposition. List on 27 July 2026.
Much obliged.
Public Works.
In this matter, Lordship, one affidavit I have already filed, Lordship, but I have some additional instructions now, which Lordship permits, Lordship, and I would like to file an additional. Matter relates to termination, termination.
Okay. Hearts Sri S. Hawk, learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. Sri P. Nayak, learned AG, representing the Public Works Department, has submitted that an affidavit in opposition has been filed on 21/5/2026. However, there are further instructions which are required to be put on records by way of an additional affidavit. Full stop. He accordingly pays for and is granted 3 weeks' time to file such additional affidavit. Para, we give a date, list on,
Can you make it immediately after vacation?
list on, we can have it on 15th of July,
Lordship.
15th of July.
Interim order, man. Interim will continue.
Interim order is there.
Yeah.
Interim order passed earlier to continue with the next date of listing.
Fine. Acknowledgement.
Yes, Mr. Decker.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, on the last occasion, Your Lordship, this honorable court has directed the respondent number 1, the principal secretary to the BTC, whether the amount has been received from the respondent number 3, which is the mission director SSA, with respect to the works that have been completed by the petitioner, Your Lordship. It is an admitted fact, Your Lordship, that 70 lakhs rupees approximately has been sanctioned to the principal secretary for disbursement of the work that has already.
By the SSA.
Yes, Your Lordship, by the mission director, Your Lordship.
Yes.
In this case, Your Lordship, we have communicated to the authorities, Lordship. However, the instructions are awaited. And I pray for it to be fixed after.
Okay, notice was issued on the last occasion, Mr.
Yes,
Decker.
Your Lordship.
Okay. Heard. 3 D.S. Decker, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has submitted that notice was issued on the last occasion, i.e. 24/4/2026. Para. It transpires from the materials and record that certain works were done by the petitioner and the amount is to be disbursed by the BTC, which is to be made by the mission director SSA.
Your Lordship, that has already been disbursed, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
Para 3 S. Bora, learned standing counsel SSA, has submitted that there is a communication which would indicate that the amount has already been already been released by the SSA to the BTC, to the principal secretary BTC. Para Sri N.R. Sharma, learned counsel representing the BTC, prays for some more time to obtain appropriate instructions which were sought for, which have already been sought for. Para, in the interest of justice, matter is adjourned to be listed for admission hearing on 22nd of July. Based on the instructions received, an endeavor will be made to dispose of the writ petition.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item 25.
Contempt.
Non-payment of contractual dues, Lordship, as per instruction, Lordship, my serial number is 22, as per Tamsir Ali. As per Tamsir Ali, Lordship, he is at serial number 22, Lordship.
Okay. Heard 3 S.K. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has complained of non-compliance of the order dated so-and-so, passed in WPC so-and-so, full stop, by the aforesaid order, the claim of the petitioner for release of his contractual dues were directed to be treated in terms of the principles laid down by the Honorable Full Bench in the case of Tamsir Ali versus so-and-so, reported in so-and-so. Para. In the last order dated 10/6/2026, this court had directed Sri Upadhyay to inform the position of the petitioner in the chronological list so as to ascertain as to whether the directions were complied with or not. Para. Sri Upadhyay, the learned counsel of the department, has placed before this court a priority list as on 15/6/2026, which has been prepared as per the judgment of the Honorable Full Court. Full stop. He has submitted that in the said list, the petitioner is placed again serial number 22. Para. Let a copy of the list be also be furnished to Sri Das, the learned counsel for the petitioner. Para. In view of the aforesaid development, this court is of the considered opinion that no case for willful or deliberate disobedience of any direction of this court is made out, and accordingly, the contempt petition is closed. The priority list placed before this court, is made part of the records.
Item 26. May I please, Your Lordship? Before starting the case, my lordship, kindly have a look. Order dated 7/5, my lord.
Yes, we have
There
seen.
was a certain direction. If they do not comply, my lord, the interest and that has to be recovered from the hearing officials, my lord. As on date, my lord, 5 minutes back, I had a talk with my client. No such any amount has been credited or provided to him.
My instruction is that the financial proposal has been submitted to the Home Department on 16/3/2026. And that is awaited. The moment the financial sanction is received, the amount will be credited, the paid to the petitioner.
It is already there, my lord, in the
Yes,
last
Yes, yes.
last affidavit, all they have annexed now.
Yes. Here the
But the observations made by this court will remain.
My lord.
Delay will entail payment, imposition of interest.
kindly appreciate the deputy.
No, appreciate or not appreciating. You are delaying the matter. There's an order of this court. This is a contempt proceeding.
The deputy commissioner is a party here, and his part he has done. Kindly see on 16/3, the financial proposal has been sent to the Home.
See, Mr. Nath, we are presently concerned with a direction of 7/5/2026 made by this court in this contempt proceedings, which has also contemplated imposition of interest. That there is no review, there is no application for review.
No,
So that will remain. And in the meantime, it's not the case that you have made the payment. You're still praying for time to make payments.
Logic.
You take your sweet time, interest will accrue.
In fact, the direction of the honorable court is dated 18/11/2023. And Lordship has directed the respondent authorities, more particularly the respondent number 3, to make verification as to whether the petitioner's vehicle are hired and as to how much the petitioner will be entitled. That verification has been done. And the amount has been quantified, the proposal has been sent to the government. So they are awaiting that. So as such, as on today, there is no violation of the honorable court's order.
What will happen to the order of 7/5/2026? We are on 7/5/2026. We are not on the aspect of violation, willful or otherwise of the initial order. That you are trying to justify, which justification may be acceptable also.
One aspect, Lordship, I kindly see, but if the person concerned on at whose instance the delay is caused, he has to be made liable if at all Lordship goes by that order.
So today we are not considering those. We are considering that the payment has not been has not been made, and there is a direction on the last date that if you do not make the payment, interest will accrue. There is no application for review. Heard Sri Borbhuya, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has drawn the attention of this court to the previous order dated 7/5/2026 passed in this proceeding. Para Sri D. Nath, learned counsel for the sole respondent. Sole respondent has submitted that the Office of the District Commissioner, Kamrup, has issued a communication dated 16/3/2026 to the Home and Political Department on the aspects of financial sanction for the amount in question. He accordingly pays for some more time. Para. Though time is granted to the learned counsel for the respondent, the stipulations provided in the order dated 7/5/2026 will remain. List on 22nd of July.
In the meantime, let them make.
It is under process, but they are also.
All the days, my lord, when the matter is listed before this court, my lord, they say, I have written this thing, that thing is good. But in reality, not.
Mr. Sheikh,
Please, Your Lordship.
review.
My lord, actually, my lord, I am entitled to 58.50, but it is given only 50.50. That
Means?
is the case, my lord. And your lordship would be pleased to see.
What
the-
58.5? We have not understood. What have you said?
My lord, actually, I am entitled to 10 marks against experience, but 2 marks has been given.
In a selection?
Yes, my lord, in the selection.
What, which review of which order you are seeking?
My lord, your
Page?
lordship will turn to
It's come for the first time.
impugn order at page 81, my lord. Page 81.
81.
Yes, my lord.
You are seeking a review of this order of 10/5/2014, 2024.
My lord, I was suffering from illness, my lord, so there is delay. And actually, I approached before your lordship in May 25. May 25, but there was some mistakes in my petition, so I filed amendment petition, my lord, that was delayed. So, my lord, up to May 25, my lord, I have explained before your lordship that I was suffering from illness. Medical certificate I have given, my lord.
2 marks allotted for certificate.
My lord.
You said that you are entitled to what?
My lord, I am entitled to another 8 marks, my lord. Total 10.
The 10 you are entitled.
Till 10 I am entitled, 2 has been given. As per this order, my lord, of your lordship's order.
But selection is already over.
Selection is
What
over.
relief will you get
Selection is
now?
over, but my lord, I have an information.
Wanted some person, those who have getting
My
2
lord.
marks qualified.
My lord. Your lordship would be pleased to see an order of 15/5/2025 also, my lord, your lordship considered for appointment in the security
Now,
force.
can you take this up for disposal
Page
today?
95.
No, my lord,
Page 95, my lord, page 95
Actually,
to
my lord,
102.
like he is whatever he is submitting, subject to.
But Mr. Chutia, we missed your performance.
My lord,
Unfortunate.
my lord, I did.
We got stuck.
I did. My lord.
We are regretting.
I did. My lord. I was pushing back by the president is here.
The president's performance, we could see some other.
He pushed back to me to attempt serial number 3. However, my lord, I have I was in this case, my lord, going to
The organizer wanted something from him.
President himself is my lord, what happened? In district wise, my lord.
But we have to again perform.
Again.
Not in the court, outside the court.
Definitely, my lord. Thank you, lordship. It's very interesting. My lord, what happened? Actually, 2 months, my lord, what happened in Kukuraja district?
No, first tell us whether we are in a position to have this today for disposal. If both of you agree, then we can take it. Otherwise, if there is no urgency, we can have it.
Lordship can dispose of it.
We can dispose of it.
He cannot claim 10 marks because there are only 2 marks.
No, sir, Mr. Chutia, you see, this is a review petition. We are not entering into the merits. He is trying to make out a prima facie case that apparent error is there. Where 2 marks is granted, it should have been 10 marks. Now, whether it should be 2 or 10, those aspects will not go. But if we find that there are materials which apparently makes that there was an error apparent on the face of it, that instead of 10, 2 has been directed to be given, then perhaps we enter. Otherwise, merits we are not entering. And that too, it's a mere academic 24 selection. What benefit will you get?
Yes, madam.
The vacancies have been filled up. These are constable appointment or what?
Constable, yes.
Constable appointment.
In security force, my lord.
Security force.
Your lordship would be pleased.
Now, even if you give you 10 marks, what will you get?
My lord, 102, my lord. That is the business of the government, my lord, whether there is vacancy or not vacancy. But
No, after 1 year, everything goes.
My lord, may not be, my lord. May not be.
Why?
There may be vacancy.
No, after 1 year
My lord.
of the
Your lord,
selection.
that is why, my lord, I am referring to page 102.
This will be mere academic, Mr.
My lord, not mere academic, my lord, it is on record. 102, your lordship.
102.
Yes. Your lordship in 2025. It is in, my lord.
In May 2025, my lord, your lordship consider the similarly situated person that if he is entitled to, he will be given appointment, my lord. Your lordship will turn to page 102.
102?
102.
Yes.
Here, my lord, para 13. However, Mr. Muzumdar, with all fairness, submits that petitioner number 1 since secured 45 marks even after award of 10 marks in segment experience as SOPO, he is below the cutoff marks of 45 in the ST category. He is automatically ousted from the competition. And since the petitioner number 2 what to have been awarded 102, what to have been awarded 47.5 marks, 40.75 marks, which is above the cutoff marks of 45. He is entitled to get selection. So, my lord, it is the order of May 25, my lord. Your lordship considered. Under the above facts and circumstances, this court is inclined to dispose of this petition by directing the respondent authorities, especially respondent number 3, to re-verify the marks allotted to the petitioner number 2 in the segment of SOP experience and thereafter to calculate the total marks. If he secured 47.5 marks as indicated in the cert to the affidavit in opposition, at paragraph 8, he shall be selected for post like Sri Jiten Rava, a candidate who secured 45.50 marks as per Annexure 10 of the affidavit in return. So, my lord, my humble submission before your lordship, whether there is vacancy or no vacancy, that is up to the government.
No, the order which you are relying upon is an order passed in a writ proceeding.
My lord, May 25.
No, it's passed in a writ proceeding,
My lord,
not in a review
writ
application.
noticing, no doubt, my lord. By my humble submission before your lordship, as your lordship pointed out, the impugn order of 24, I explained the delay by submitting medical document. And your lordship in May 25 also considered the similar post, my lord. Similar post, either in writ petition or review petition, that doesn't matter. But it is considered.
What is
And
the error?
government
What is the
also
error? What
agreed.
is the error apparent?
My lord, error apparent is this, my lord, your lordship would be pleased to see the impugn order. The impugn order at page 81, your lordship will see.
Yes. Not impugned order as such, order under review.
That we used to say, my lord, that 18 order. So, my lord, here your lordship considered that page 83, my lord.
Yes, we have seen 83.
In view of the above, para 7.
Yes.
In view of the above, the cases of petitioners are directed to be reconsidered by allotting 2 marks for such certificate wherein period of service either as home guards or SPO has not been specified in the respective certificates. Now, my lord, I have annexed document number, annexure number 6, 7, and 8, my lord. Here, my lord, similarly, my lord. Annexure number 7, my lord, your lordship would be pleased to say, page 89. Page 89, 91, and 93.
89. What is 89?
89, my lord. That one person, my lord, who worked in Kokrajhar under Superintendent Police Kokrajhar, my lord, he was given 10 marks.
No, you show us the certificate.
Yes, my lord.
You show us the certificate. We said that where certificates, no marks have been given, give a standard mark of 2. If you are seeking 10 marks, you show the certificate.
So, my lord, your lordship, at that time, that is the problem, my lord. At that time, that certificate was not, that document was not available in my hand. It is a subsequent document. But thing is this, my lord, 3 parts.
Where is the certificate?
That is 89, my lord.
89 is not a certificate.
Third certificate. Huh? My certificate, not my certificate, my lord. My certificate already I submitted. That is not the problem, my lord. I have been given less mark. But your lordship would be pleased to consider one Munirul Islam, page 89.
Yes.
Similarly situated with me, my lord. Now your lordship would be pleased to see, come down, my lord.
Yes.
That experience as SPO.
Yes.
5 years.
Yes.
Experience as SPO, 10 marks.
Yes.
Monirul has been given 10 marks, my lord. Now your lordship another person, Abdul
So
Salim
how do
Sheikh.
you equate yourself with Monirul and the other person?
My lord. Same batch, my lord. We have worked under same SP. But in that, what happened, my lord? Monirul.
Can be at best,
when
at best
Monirul,
grounds
your
of
lordship,
appeal,
your
grounds of
lordship will
appeal at
consider.
best.
Now
Cannot
your
be
lordship-
grounds of review.
My lord,
It
it is
not
your
a-
lordship will
Oh, we'll
consider.
come to you, we'll come to you.
Not a-
We'll come to you, Mr. Choti.
My lord.
Let him finish.
My humble submission before your lordship, my contention before your lordship granted me 2 marks. Monirul and another person, Abdul Salim Sheikh, my lord, another person, Roy, Ankeshwar Roy, they were given 10 marks, my lord.
By whom? By this court?
By the, no, my lord, not by the court, my lord. In the result sheet, the state level police recruitment board, my lord, who selected me, who examined me also, my lord.
Yes,
My contention before your lordship,
yes.
that we are working under the same SP, same period, but same certificate were issued, but they were allotted 10 marks. My lord. That is my main question before your lordship.
See, let us understand the order.
My lord.
Come to page 82,
My lord. Yes.
paragraph 5. Please read paragraph 5
Yes, my lord, 82.
at page 82.
82, my lord.
The primary contention of the petitioners, as observed
Petitioners
above,
are due marks have not been given.
is not uniform, is not following a uniform pattern in allotting marks for the period of services rendered either as home guards or SPO.
My lord.
Aforesaid contention made on behalf of the petitioner has not been disputed in principle by Sri Chutia, the learned so-and-so. Aforesaid controversy is mainly reflected to certain certificates which have not been which has not specified the duration of the services rendered.
Yes.
So far as the district of Kokrajhar is concerned,
My lord.
2 marks have been allotted for such certificates, whereas in other districts, less marks or no marks have been
Yes,
given.
my lord.
There is a general consensus amongst the learned counsel for the parties that the practice of allotting 2 marks for certificates wherein the duration of service has not been specified, as done in the district of Kokrajhar, can be taken as a standard.
My lord.
And standard marking, and accordingly a review exercise be made so far as the cases of petitioners are concerned. In view of the above, we give you 2 marks.
2 marks. All right, my lord. Now your lordship decided in district Kokrajhar 2 marks will be given.
Yes. Because the certificate
these
did not
3
specify
persons,
the
my lord,
period.
These 3 persons, my lord, they were selected, they were appointed, my lord, they were given 10 marks in Kokrajhar district. So, my lord, my humble submission before your lordship, it's a, by this order, my lord, I have been deprived from my genuine appointment. So, my lord,
Mr. Singh,
consensus is not right.
Mr. Singh, please try to
Thing is
understand.
this, my lord, it is
Please try to understand. We were dealing with persons whose certificates did not specify the duration.
Yes.
There is a maximum of 10 marks of 2 marks per year,
My lord.
and in matters where the duration was not given,
Whole 2 marks will be given, not
in few of the cases, marks were not given, and in few cases, 2 marks were given.
Oh, yes.
We said that we'll have a standard, and on consensus, where duration was not given, we had given 2 marks for those who were before the court, having a certificate where no duration is given. Now, we do not know who it is Moniril, who is this Abdul Salim, whether they had certificates, whether the duration was specified. How can you have this in a review exercise?
That is the contention I raised before your lordship. Let the government examine whether Monirul Islam, Sam Roy, and another person, 3 persons worked along with me and they were given 10 marks or not. My lord, it is
our jurisdiction in review is very, very confined.
my
We cannot go into.
commission on sufficient ground, my lord, your lordship can review. Because,
So-
my lord, it is
So
a-
is the law on review.
my lord, public.
So is the law on review.
My lord, I will try to show, my lord.
No, not
My
try to
humble
show us.
submission, my lord. Your
So is the
lordship-
law on review.
Your
These are
lordship-
grounds of
your
appeal.
lordship will consider on sufficient ground, my lord, review can be done. So, my lord, I have come with these documents, my lord, subsequently. A person, my lord, work together, somebody will be given 10 marks by the government and somebody will
Mr.
be
Sheikh,
given
that
2
is not
marks.
the yardstick of working together. We are on the aspect of having a certificate where no duration was specified. You show us that Monirul
My
had a
lord,
certificate.
their certificate also similar footing, my lord. My
Where
lord,
is the
my thing is
certificate?
my thing is this, my lord. My thing is this, my lord. I placed a certificate issued by them. They given 10 marks each. Why I will not?
Where
be
is the
given?
certificate?
My lord, this is the
That is not the certificate,
result
that is
sheet,
the
my lord.
market, that's the
This is
marketing.
the result sheet.
He has a certificate of
Not
5
the,
years.
not the certificate, my lord, but your lordship would be pleased to see.
No, not at all.
That has been given,
Not at all.
result sheet reflects that they have been given 10 marks, my lord.
Not at all, not at all. Yes,
They have
please
been
write. Not required, yes.
Huh?
Heard. 3MA6, Learned Counsel for the
Own certificate.
review applicant. Also heard Sri T.C. Chutia, Learned Senior Counsel, appearing for the respond numbers 1 and 2. All the respondents.
My lord, one thing, my lord. May I given an option to produce that certificate, their certificate? My lord?
No, it's a place to score.
My lord.
Press pro-
My lord.
You filed an appeal.
My lord.
Also heard assisted by Sri A. Chakraborty. Para. The instant application has been filed for review of an order dated 10/5/2024 passed by this court in a series of, in a bunch of writ petition, including 4146.
My lord.
What is your number? 4146.
Yes, 4 on 4.
4146/2022. Para. To understand
4146 was
22.
2022, yes.
Okay. To understand the grounds of review, comma, it would be required to Precedes the learned counsel for the applicant has submitted that while the petitioner, while the applicant, one applicant or two? One applicant. While the applicant was allotted 2 marks for the certificate of experience, comma, he has come across at least 3 instances of the same Kokrajhar district who were granted 10 marks. Full stop. He has submitted that there cannot be 2 yardsticks for grant of marks for the certificates who belong to the same district. Full stop. He submits that this is a sufficient ground for exercising the review jurisdiction. Para. Sri Chutia, the learned senior counsel for the respondent, has however submitted that no grounds for review is made out, and the comparison which the 3 incumbents would not be relevant for the purpose of the present adjudication process. Para. To understand the grounds of review, comma, the order dated 10/5/2024 is required to be carefully perused. Full stop. The writ petitions were with regard to a recruitment process for filling up post of constables under the Assam Industrial Security Force, within bracket AISF, full stop. One of the primary contentions of the petitioners in those cases was that due marks were not given to them for the services rendered by them earlier as home guards or SPOs. Full stop. The said marks were to be given on the basis of the certificates. Full stop. It transpires that the controversy was mainly related to certain certificates where the duration of service was not specified. Full stop. It may be mentioned that for every year, comma, a specified marks were to be allotted subject to maximum of 10. Full stop. This court had noticed that so far as the district of Kokrajhar was concerned, 2 marks were allotted for such certificates where the duration was not specified, and in other districts, comma, less marks or no marks were given. Full stop. There was a general consensus recorded in the order that a standard practice of allotment of 2 marks be also done, which was taken for the district of Kokrajhar as a standard marking process. Para. As indicated above, comma, the learned counsel for the applicant, Sri Sheikh, has cited three examples where the incumbents were granted full
Annex
10
6,
marks.
7 and 8, my lord.
Full 10 marks, full stop. Para. In the considered opinion of this court, comma, the example cited of those incumbents would not have any relevance in considering this application for review. Full stop. The standard, the direction for allotting a standard mark of 2 for each district was not only taken upon general consensus, but also from the aspect that it was the district of Kokrajhar which had adopted that practice, wherein the other districts had not given any marks or less marks. Full stop. Para. In any event, comma, the jurisdiction to be exercised by a court in to be exercised by a review court is limited. Full stop. In the case of so and so para. This court is of the view that the grounds which have been taken would not be sufficient grounds to invoke the review jurisdiction. Para. The application accordingly stands rejected.
Obliged. 38 similar, my lord. Out of
38.
state selection. same
WPC,
WPC number.
how many?
One, my lord.
One, okay, same.
4196. my lord. WPC 4196.
We'll come back at 2 o'clock.
Similar grounds, madam. Obliged.
এইটো আমাৰ যে এটা হেৰি আছে মালহোত্ৰৰ এটা আছে যে কিবা নাম হিন্দু মালহোত্ৰৰ এটা জজ
Lordship paid the previous two orders, my lord. On 20 and 21st of May, admitted amount, my lord, on 6,21,800. Budget allotment has been received by the DC, Morigaon, but till today, that amount has not been received.
But after receipt of the budget allotment, they could not process it because the petitioner had difficulty with the GST number. Then she was written, and that has been clarified somehow. And after that, the financial proposal has been processed, and it is awaited, the FOC is awaited. That instruction I have placed. The moment the FOC comes, it will be released.
You are the SD Enterprise,
Yes.
Yes, as in.
but your name is Sunita Sunti Deka.
Yes.
Sunti Deka.
Yes.
This has been written to Pratibha Deori.
Yes, Sunti Deka has received. She is the authorized representative.
I have already cleared my GST, my lord.
GST has been cleared now, and after that,
No, this communication by the ADC
Yes,
has been addressed to on Pratibha Deori, proprietor SD Enterprise.
yes.
How is Sunti Deka connected?
Sunti Deka is the she's the concerned person.
Wife name.
As per our record,
Shunti Daka to? And Deuri to wife. Shunti Daka husband, no? Husband. Wife. Wife Buddha, Deuri to.
she's the wife. Sunti Deka's wife is Pratibha Devi.
No. Sunti Deka is petitioner as and Pratibha is who?
Pratibha is Sunti's wife.
So why have you written to Pratibha?
As per the record, in our record, SD Enterprise is represented by Pratibha Devi. And Sunti Deka, kindly see the signature below. She has received it.
No, that is not concerned. The petitioner, who was the petitioner in the original petition? Sunti Deka.
It is to be paid to SD Enterprise.
earlier petition on Suniti Daga as a petition.
SDN have written- And the petitioner doesn't deny that GST was.
No, we are just trying to
Lot.
have the clarification. Okay, yes, we grant some more time.
That may be fixed, my lord.
The financial
How do-
proposal also kindly similar.
Heard Sri N. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petitioner who has drawn the attention of this court to the order dated 21/5/2026. Para Sri D. Nath, learned counsel appearing for the respondents, has however submitted
I'm appearing for the respondent number.
Two.
Two.
DCP I'm appearing. for.
two. Okay, well, respondent number two has submitted that there are progress in the aspect of release of the dues to the petitioner. Full stop. He has also submitted that there was an issue with regard to the GST, which has been clarified, and presently the matter has been is at the stage of
Sanctioning of financial proposal, aforesaid.
at the stage of FOC. Para. He accordingly prays for some more time. Para. Miss, your name? NS. Miss NS Rajkua, learned counsel, is present for the respondent number 3. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to enable compliance of the order in question. Full stop. Let it be listed on 27th of July.
For respondent number 4 also, lordship may record my name. 2 and 4.
2 and 4.
Okay.
Item 14.
Please, your lordship. The non-payment of contractual bill.
Contempt.
Kindly see, lordship, the earlier order, lordship, 5/7/2026, lordship. And the earlier occasion, they have submitted the demand for fund they have submitted.
Yes, why have you defaulted in appearance as well as payment? Why?
Parents, my lord, I was not here, my colleagues.
Okay, what about the compliance part?
Compliance, my lord, on the last to last occasion, my lord, I had submitted that fund demand was placed. Then, my lord, what happened? The code of conduct came in. and
Presently,
Now it is not there anymore. So, my lord, we are just taking an updated status. Why, my lord? Because all those demands that were intervened by the model code of conduct, apparently now fresh demand has to be placed. So I'm, my lord, seeking.
okay, we are granting some time.
Yes, lord.
Come back on instructions. We are having on the next day of the reopening, 14th. Okay. Heard.
DC now.
Sri DC Nath, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri I. Bothakur, learned counsel for the sole respondent.
Solid.
Para. Sri Bothakur, the learned counsel, has submitted that there are some developments after lifting of the code of conduct, which he would like to, and he would like to obtain the updated instructions. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on 15th of July, on which date updated instructions are required to be placed by the learned counsel for the respondent.
At the last chance, lordship.
Let us see. Contempt.
Yes, Lordship, non-payment. Lordship,
All these are clear.
yes, I have just received the instructions.
Even lordship, they are getting more than their claim loss.
Right limit 49,84,200.
Madam Nirola, you are not on record.
Yes, Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. P. Bordol.
Heard Miss M. Nirola,
Yes.
learned counsel, appeared in instruction of Sri P. Bordloy for the petitioner. Also, also heard Sri K. Gogoi, learned counsel, appearing for the sole respondent. All the respondents. Para. The present application has been filed alleging willful and deliberate disobedience of the order it so and so, passed in so and so. Para. The Sri Gogoi, the learned counsel for the respondent, has however submitted that during the pendency of the present case, comma, the order dated so and so 17/2/2025 has been complied with. Full stop. In this regard, he has placed before this court a communication dated 1/6/2026 issued to him by the Registrar, Dibrugarh University, along with the relevant documents. Para. Ms. Nirola, the learned counsel for the petitioner, has. Are you aware of this?
Lordship, I have just received the information.
Submits that in view of such development, comma, there may not be any existing live cause of action to be espoused. Para. In view of the aforesaid backdrop, comma, the contempt petition is closed. The communication dated. You give a photocopy, not the original. No, this is meant for you, not for us. The communication dated so and so is made part of the records.
Obliged.
Me to photocopy it to you.
42.
Lordship, may kindly peruse office note dated 34/26, Lordship. 34/26. Neither ID card nor unserved notice is received as per postal journal and track consignment items delivered. 30 April 26. As per postal journal and track consignment items delivered. Then, Lordship, there was a direction for dusty service, judicial order. We have taken steps, Lordship. Affidavit we have brought on record.
Lordship, regarding service upon respondent number 2 and 3, Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Counsel Mr. R. Sensua. Today morning, we have telephonically instructed to appear, Lordship.
2 and 3. 2 and 3. Heard Dr. G.J. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has submitted that dusty service has been effected upon the respondent number 2 and 3, and an affidavit has been filed in this regard. Be that as it may. Sri, your name?
P. Khatoniar.
Sri P. Khatoniar, learned counsel, has appeared and has submitted that he, along with his colleagues, are instructed to appear on behalf of the said respondent numbers 2 and 3, and would be filing the formal wakalatnama shortly. Para. Sri R. Talukdar, learned state counsel, is present for the official respondents. Para. Let the formal power be filed, and the respondents may also file their response, their affidavit in opposition to the writ petition. Para. List on which date? 29th of July.
Lordship, they may be directed to furnish us extra copy.
Extra copy issued.
You have been served copies of yours. Give us copy to Mr. Talukdar. Next.
May please, your Lordship. Lordship may take up the writ petition also, Lordship.
I for what?
Lordship, I is to for a direction, Lordship, not to deduct further amount. Because, Lordship, during the while issuing notice, Lordship, that interim was not granted, your Lordship. However, Lordship, this is a similar matter, your Lordship may take, Lordship.
Mr. Sharma?
My lord, I have no objection to the prayer made, my lord, that they want to have the matter disposed of in line with the
in this order, Lordship, in line of this order, Lordship. Similar facts, only the amount is different, Your
The
Lordship.
directions are on the last page, my lord. 1, 2, 3, and 4, my lord, they have been.
Para 9 onwards, my lord. Unless you know the number to put it. Number is the
Sunrise, sir.
Sunless and the number to this. And Lordship,
Yes, you can pass these orders
My lord,
because earlier also there are two other orders which were
there are two other
relied upon. You make the corrections and give it to us. Dispose of
correction.
corrections
In fact, my lord,
in the last directions.
Directions.
Yes, there has to be some corrections. You cannot appear on 24, 26.
Yes, obviously, that correction, yes.
You make the corrections
Yes, yes.
and we'll pass the same order.
in fact, what we have done, my lord, that in the meanwhile, after notices have been issued, we have sent them a copy, scanned copies of the ERB, which has been highlighted, my lord, as one of the requirements. Pursuant to that, my lord, they can visit our plant,
Okay.
cross-check, and get.
Okay. I heard Sri DJ Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri M. Sharma, Learned Counsel appearing for the IOC. Para. It is submitted in the bar that the issue has that similar issues had come up before this court and has been resolved. Full stop. One such order dated
Lordship, it's dated 7/4.
7/4/2026 passed in WPC 2034/2026 has also been placed before this court. Para. Sri Sharma, the learned standing counsel, has also informed that in the meantime, the ERV slips have been couriered to the petitioner, and they are required to appear before the authorities. Before the plant authorities. Full stop. Para. In view of the above and following the orders passed in similar matters, the present petition is disposed of with the following direction. Please give
The dates I will give.
yes. When do you have the
Any
date?
date, Lordship, if Lordship pleases to give, Lordship. In
Tell
the
us where are you required to appear?
Lordship may after 10 days, Lordship, 10, 15 days, Lordship.
We'll have it on today's
Today is
17.
17.
You appear on 26th
26th of June. Yes.
26th of June,
Yes, Lordship.
10:30.
10:30, Lordship.
26 to perform to not 10:30. We put this as 26 June 06 to at 11
At 11 a.m.
11 a.m. 11 a.m. Before response number 3.
Response number 3, my lord.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
Respondent shall provide the ERV slips. Oh, this will not be required.
Lordship, that
Since
is
we have already provided the ERB slips, they will compare the ERB slips with the originals at the plant. Thereafter, my lord.
in here, Lordship, I have on submission, Lordship, they are supposed to produce 217 ERB slips. But regarding that, there is a dispute, Lordship. I have not received 200 all real ERB slips. That will be handled during the hearing. Your
During the
Lordship.
hearing. Then the next line of that, respondent number 3 shall provide the ERV slips on the basis of which respondent corporation had issued the notice that so this will not be required, I think. Second line will be required. You are already been provided with the ERV slips.
Lordship, not all, Lordship. Not all. That is that I have to submit it in my initial and affidavit, Your Lordship. The submission is there.
Then you have to lick as regards the ERV slips, number 2, as regards the ERV slips which have been stated to be couriered to the petitioner, there is a dispute with regard to the numbers. Full stop. The said issue can be taken up in the hearing.
Yes, Lordship.
Number 3, the petitioner is given liberty to submit the reply to 3, submit the reply on or before
10th of July, Your Lordship.
10th of July.
Yes.
10/7/26. Then 3 to 4 হয়ে যাব 2 to আমি এটা দিলু বেলেগ 3 or 4 to 5 to 5 2 Last, as an amount of so and so, is it required, not required? I think?
Lordship, that amount, Lordship, they have already deducted. That will be subject to the Lordship, be deposited. That is required, your Lordship.
And which amount has been? No, no, don't only say the amount which has been, which has already been deducted would be subject to the outcome of the proceeding. 800, I think, no? You come, do one thing, both of you are here, we'll type this out and have a look at the order, okay?
Lordship.
No, what am I doing? Come after 1 hour,
Yes, Lordship.
should not be any mistake. Both the requisition and the IS is disposed of.
Lordship, till then, Lordship, no further reduction, Lordship.
I'll
Lordship,
leave
that,
your lordships with them because
because
on the
that is
earlier
there
order,
in the order, Lordship.
it stated that all deductions will be subject to the outcome. So, my lord,
Otherwise, Lordship.
No, we are having a hearing.
No, Lordship, there is a point number 4 is there, Lordship. Till such decision is taken,
Yes.
the respondent authority shall not proceed with debit deduction from the
We
entire.
have incorporating that is there.
Yes, that is there.
That is there. We have only added one more point regarding the dispute in
Dispute in the ERB.
ERB.
Yes,
Okay.
Lordship.
Okay, next.
Much obliged.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. As per the last order, Your Lordship, the respondents were required to file their affidavits, Your Lordship.
Which one? Forest respondent.
All the respondents.
While not seeking another opportunity.
And what about others? 4 is whom? You will also require to file affidavit. Not required. Yes, Mr. Talukdar?
Here in this case, Lordship, respondent number 2 is added as the additional chief secretary, government of Assam. No department is mentioned, Lordship.
No.
So perhaps it will be the forest department.
Yes, madam.
We'll do
Okay,
the
but
necessary corrections,
nonetheless,
Lordship.
the learner heard your name?
Miss S. Jane.
Ajit. Heard Mrs. Jane Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri R. Talukdar, Learned State Council. Sri I. Borthakur, Learned Counsel for Forest Department, and Miss N. Sharma. N. Sharma. N. Sharma, Learned Counsel for Respondent number 4, para. On a prayer made by the Learned Counsel for the respondents, comma. Time of 4 weeks is granted to enable filing of affidavit in opposition. Para. List on, we give a date, 27th of July.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
But the password timing is still nothing.
It's not a very simple.
আজি ইচ্ছা করলে পারে কিন্তু মনে মনে আছে মনে মনে আছে খুৱাব চাগে মনে মনে আছে খুৱাব চাগে তেওঁ পিছত ট্ৰাই কৰিব আৰু